Hey, the Kene Mama, the leader of Umada worldwide. Honorable Charles Azoka Wanko. Adaka Jarakaja. Wani Mobidia. Wani Diajemon. Biafra Queen Mother Kana. And I am my government in exile. I am the Deputy Finance Minister. So when I say I salute to you, Madam Annie Rejuberewa, HOD Coastal Regional Orientation Coordinator.
Thank you.
Also serving as a board member in
the goddess in the house. Wow. This is awesome. Another your channel is not connected. I'm looking at your what happened?
The sample
for you and connect. Not on life then. You need to connect this program. You don't, I don't know how
for me to recognize it.
Because I don't link up with StreamYard with anybody. I will just link up with
Department Women and Children Services.
StreamYard.
I
to link
up.
Up.
Member Women and Children Services. Enough respect to Benedict and Najaniekwe. Dr. Ebere Obidia, Head of Department of Culture and Tourism in Biafran Republic of Exile. Ekelem Nagana Mrs. Faith Giponi, Ada Biafra, Ojena Wayo, Omwada Jisienike O, Omwada Biafra Jemono, Okadiru Numa. Oh, the Prime Minister see. Monarchy mama. I go buy you motor, change future, mama. Nobody go take your place, mama. You find them on a one case for me, mama.
Yes, your address email, your YouTube address, yeah.
Mama, where they give me joy. Mama, where they give me hope. Now she make me big boy, mama.
Get the YouTube logo. Your email address.
I am I stand attention. We are thankful. We are very, very grateful.
Biafrans, why should you all welcome all the patients should connect so that our YouTube channel quite an interesting program. Also be part of it. Let me go and check.
Ochalugo Sele. Iya Ibia Sele. Ochalugo Sele.
It's blacks on the bed.
Mazi Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of the Biafran government in exile. Honorable Charles Azoka Wanko, Mama me.
Yeah. Exactly, you have the link, but just make sure you hook up your channel so that it will be playing on the channel. Biafrans, every one of us, we have to subscribe to our channel so that Adadi Orama is a bundle of bullets. She is firebrand. You have seen nothing yet. This generation of Biafra. This generation of Biafra. I cannot done fam. Let my people go. So the topic of discussion is going to be quite interesting. While we are going to be and make sure she puts on her YouTube channel and also her Facebook channel, please. See how you can connect to the stream. There's a possibility for that. So so that while she's live here, her audience will be following it. But that's the gospel of Biafra need to be going on full cylinder everywhere, left, right, and center. The other side. 247 Prime Minister Adolfo go release the dragon fire. Hello, Minister.
That's the backbone of Prime Minister Master Simon.
Okay, I'll put link.
They brought in a sex energy when the chiefs were down to fulfill the prophecy of Master Namika. When the women stepped into our freedom fight, we should know that Biafrans.
They don't know what they are up. That is it.
The leader of Umada worldwide.
And it's time for us to go home. It's time for us to go home. So you can't put us back.
And she's going to serve in a different government in exile.
Release MNK to shut Simon Ekpa up. Release MNK to shut Simon Ekpa up. Release Simon so that to shut Simon Ekpa up. Have we told them otherwise? You didn't put it that come and distract us. You think that come and distract.
Also serving in Biafra government in exile.
We have said it in Igbo language. We have said it in Yoruba language. We have said it in Efik language. We have said it in Hausa language. We are looking for Fufu Day, for a Fufu Day man.
Black man
so that you will understand.
Department women and children services. I throw salute to Caroline Mbeze. Women and children services.
Bad people everywhere. Enough respect to Benedita Najianiekwe. So I will bring you up.
Dr. Ebere.
Let me
Obidia, Head of Department of Culture and Tourism. Biafran Republic government in exile.
Forgive us our freedom. Have mercy on we, Biafrans. Give us our freedom. Have mercy on we, Biafrans, and give us our freedom. Fire in our leader. Prophet, we need our leader. We need our leader. The evil and wicked British and Fulani Caliphate can't stop the sun from shining from the east of God. Hold on, guys. Eleziada. Okay. Can send the again. All right. Okay. So the friends all over the globe, are you feeling me, Atlantic? Well, you know, I feel super communication, you know. We are going back to our homeland, so we are going to go again. Biafran nation is around. We are going home to get Jehovah roots. We are going back to our homeland now, so we are going to go. Biafran nation is around. We are going home to Biafran. We are going back to our homeland now, so we are going to go. Biafran nation is around. We are going. Hold on, guys. I need to do something, please. Hold on, guys. Okay. Have mercy on we, Biafran. Lord, give us a freedom. Have mercy on we, Biafran, and give us a freedom. Have mercy on we, Biafran, and give us a freedom. prophet. We need our ear. We need our ear. Evil and wicked British and Fulani caliphate can't stop the sun from shining from the east of God. And so Biafrans all over the globe, are you feeling me, Atlantic? Why are I feeling from manipulation? We are going back to our homeland, to our roots to go again. Biafran nation is alive. We are going home to where Jehovah rules. We are going back to our homeland now, to our roots. Biafran nation is alive. We are going home to Biafran city. We are going back to our homeland now, to our roots. Biafran nation is alive. We are going home to where Jehovah. We are going back to our homeland, to our roots. Biafran nation is alive. We are going home to Biafran city. We love how we get the dish. We love how pretend. We love how
you did it. You did it.
we love how we love how we love how we love how. We know them, we don't fear them.
On the key.
We don't fear them, we don't fear them. Ganja, we don't fear them, we don't fear them. We don't fear you, Satan. We don't fear little demons, we don't fear the other. We don't fear little junkies, little ganja, we. Obasanjo and his entire generation died and was buried in our Biafran. During this business as well. This is the new generation of Biafra. For your information, if you don't mind, mad people everywhere. Mad people.
Mad people.
I have we are going back to our homeland, to our roots to go again.
Yeah, let's address what we have on the screen, and this music is very important also, but somebody put up this comment on this section. Betty Forde, he said, Pastor Van, you should be aware they are now planning how to repatriate Simon. They are not planning to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at all. My beloved sister, we know that they have no intention and they have no plan of engaging to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And we know that they would wish that they can repatriate Mazi Simon Ekpa. We know. But I want to tell you one thing, and I guarantee you, with my 10 fingers and my 10 toes, I guarantee you, heaven and earth kiss together. They cannot come close. Come on, close to Simon Ekpa. Like, come on, like close. They can't come close to him. There is nobody in this world that doesn't know that Nigeria is a terrorist country. There's nobody that doesn't know. There's nobody that doesn't know that Nigeria is being ruled by the jihadists. Nobody that doesn't know. Anybody that doesn't know, let them come and meet us. We give them evidence. You understand what I mean? There's nobody that doesn't know. So this thing, don't make it as a comment next time. Maybe you are posting it because you are ignorant of the fact that they cannot even come close to Simon Ekpa. Talk less of repatriating. Number one, you cannot repatriate somebody that is not a citizen of your country. Simon Ekpa is no longer a citizen of Nigeria. So if there's anywhere to repatriate Simon to, it is to repatriate him to Biafra. Hello? Am I talking? Hello? If there's anywhere to repatriate Simon, if it is possible to repatriate Simon to anywhere, it is only to repatriate him to Biafra. Because Simon Ekpa has denounced Nigeria, disengaged from Nigeria, refused Nigeria, rejected Nigeria. So Nigeria has no place in Simon Ekpa's life. Is that clear? The same thing with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why? That is why you see us staging the international protest and international campaign we're staging on the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because at the end of the day, you see the people whose passports Mazi Nnamdi Kanu used to travel, Britain. By the time they will receive their own water, It is coming. No, you people should not worry. Don't worry at all. Don't worry. When Chukwakika combined with the intelligence that he has given to us, we will give it to Britain. The whole world will gather and separate us. You see this thing? The whole world will gather to separate Biafra and Britain. So you put somewhere. I'm just trying to respond to that message. Don't display this kind of message again because you may not understand. That's why I have to explain to you. Don't express the fear that anybody can deport or repatriate Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa is not a Nigerian and cannot be repatriated to Nigeria. Simon Ekpa is a Biafran and can only be sent to Biafra land. Okay? Thank you very much. All right.
With the Biafran flight.
With Biafra flight. You see, this thing we are talking about is not, we are not joking, we are not playing, no. We are not. Mazin Namdekano said, oh my God, I think we have played this music enough. Let me show you what Mazin Namdekano said.
Yes.
Because some of you don't even understand. Sometimes you just say, let me show you. Let me show you.
People who out of cowardice
and
self-hate.
It's not this one.
Nigeria somehow can be won. Yet all of you know that Nigeria is an Islamic country. I'm sure you're aware of that. All of you also understand the intentions of the Fulani. Oh, if you want the presidency, you have to work for it. Tinubu, you must work for it. How is Tinubu working for it? You must condemn anybody who come down to speak against our people in your forest. That's what they're doing.
So this is not the one I'm looking for. Let me show you the one I'm looking for. I've played it severally and I will keep playing it so that you will understand. Could this be it?
People who are of cowardice.
No, not this one. This is the same one I just played now. What am I doing? What's happening here? Something is happening and okay. My WhatsApp just ceased. Let me bring it back. All right. I'll bring it back. Okay, this is what I'm looking for.
People must understand the rage that is boiling within us. You must understand how angry we are. We may look normal. People must understand the rage that is boiling within us. You must understand how angry we are. We may look normal to you, but we are very, very angry.
Extremely angry.
And by the time we are done with Nigeria, no one exists. That I can assure you.
Assurance. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go to the program itself. So that is it. Adadi Alama, you're welcome. You're welcome. Nice to have you.
Thank you again.
Yeah. Adadi Alama, you know, you are on the room of Vava today, and we're going to do this together. Please, if you are watching this program, my beloved sister Adadi Alama, Adandembo Nandegede, the goddess of Biafra, the one who is speaking the voice of the spirits also of Biafra, is here with me today, and I'm privileged to have her. And she has a YouTube channel. And this program right now is live on that YouTube channel, live and direct. So if you come across this program while we're live, all you need to do is just type, let me type it here. Some of you might see finally. Ada. Is it one word? Let me see whether it's one word. It's separate. Let me see. Hold on, guys. Okay, two separate words. Ada separate from the Lama. Ada. Okay, small letter D or La. Ma. Let me see. Double M. Okay. Adadi Lama. Just type this name. It is very simple. And it's so interesting because she doesn't have a rival on YouTube. No rival. This name, once you type it on your search engine, once you type Adadi Olama on your search engine, her channel will come out. Just type it. Separate it. Adadi Ola. Diola. Ma. Once you type it. Huh? Okay, yeah. Once you just type Adadio Olama, it's just one. And that's very unique. That's one thing I like about unique chats like this. So it's not going to be giving you different options. It will just bring out her channel. And because she's a unique daughter of Biafra, her name, only her name will pop out. Yeah, it is called, it's singled out from the crowd. Light is different from darkness. When the light is shining, darkness cannot comprehend it. So the light will just shine, and then you click it. This program is live on that channel. So you can go there and also subscribe, and you can also follow this program from that channel as you are live and direct. And make sure you subscribe and like this program to give notification to other people. You know, we are just about 27 minutes into the program, and then we have 11 people on my own Facebook. We have 132 already on Rafael Chamaka TV. We have 75 on Nigeria Global. Just 6 of you on Adadio Olama. Please, I want a bunch of you to go on Adadio Olama. Even if all of you have to go to that channel today and watch from there, I will be glad. So that all of you will subscribe to that channel and give it life. Because the most important thing is that this gospel is preached. So it doesn't matter which channel you're watching it. As long as it is this program, every one of you, a bunch of you can go there and watch us from that channel and make this program go viral. Click the share button, click the like button, and then we'll go. Today, we see the title we have here. You know, when I first saw this title, I was laughing myself to scorn. I was saying, what set of people are these? No wonder Martin Abdulkadir will say, mad people everywhere. Mad people everywhere. Let me take the link of this channel and put it on the comment section so that people can understand what we're talking about here. 1 minute, guys. So let me copy the link. 1 minute, guys. Please bear with me, guys. And all right. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the comment section, and there, and I'm gonna pin it. So this our beloved sister's channel is pinned on the comment section, pinned there. So if you are finding it difficult to type, just click that link. It will take you to the channel. Let me go on Nigeria Global and also pin it there. So we'll leave it there until we're ready to put the link of this program for those that want to join us, because eventually we're going to put the link for people to join us. It's a very interesting topic, I'm telling you, because maybe those of them that teaching because they try to deceive people. They think Biafrans are not wise. You can't deceive us. You cannot deceive us. You can't change the narrative. So I've put the link on both channels, Nigeria Global Media and Raf Chamaka TV. Please hit that link and join Adadio Olama's channel and watch us from there today. All right. I told us that when I saw this topic on our Prime Minister's listing, let me bring it up so that you will see it, to understand what I'm talking about. When I saw it, the thing was very funny. I said, what are these people? These people, you know, the money they have. You know, look at them. I said, OHANAEZE to Tinubu. Release Kano to shut Simon Ekpa up. Release Kano to shut Simon Ekpa up. That's he have the threat from OHANAEZE Nibu. OHANAEZE, they are angry and they come and they are going to Tinubu. Tinubu, I'm telling you, we want you to shut Simon Ekpa up. He's making too much noise. And the only way you can shut him up is to release Kano and shut him up. And then I was asking myself, is it that these people have ear problem? Are they dumb? Don't they understand? Even if they are dumb, can they read? Even if they can't read, don't they understand sign language? We have said it in Igbo, that is their own language. Then we are speaking it in Abakaliki language. And we have spoken it in Ezra language. And we speak it in Nsukka language. And we have spoken it in Yoruba language. We spoke it in Hausa. Somebody came on my channel and spoke it in Hausa last week. And we are speaking it in Israel. We are looking for somebody from Fulani to come and speak it in Fufude. The same language. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is the only.
And this very evening, we are facing a very formidable array of enemies, both external and within. And we are going to overcome each and every one of these obstacles. That I can assure you, that they may know that the God we worship is an invisible God, not a God that was wrought by the hands of men. For we do not worship idol, and we can never ever worship idol. Is impossible. This very family, this IPOB, belongs to the Most High. And that is how it's going to be until Biafra comes and beyond, to eternity. This evening, I want to place it on record that our enemies are intensifying their attack against us from every corner. I am not saying this as lamentation or complaint. I am only trying to prepare our people for what is to come. You are being prepared for what is to come. The time has come to separate the chaff from the wheat itself. Our march is very, very near. The enemies are trembling, they are quaking, they are doing all they can to try to stop us. But they have failed very woefully, and they will continue to fail. But I want to tell you that we are getting attacks from everywhere all over the world. And very soon, they will buy over some of you. They will buy some of you over. The spirit of Oba, Biasika, and Ifajuna are still in some of you. When the time comes, they will buy you over. I am not doing this program tonight to ask all of you to be strong. I am doing it to remind you, not that if they succeed in buying you over, you're not going to stop what we're doing. You can't.
Conscious people. Ndara. And get them around. Who born you? Who you? Who you? Kapa or to make a cause of no you. Who you? Who born you? Who you? Okay. Ndamadi hamadi kaisi kwado. Nda famaro de kaisi kwado mancha. Mesu suyare. Who send troops? And the troops actually send Abro Lagbaja. Lagbaja him, Lagbaja wo ne uchi ihu. Oda afozo. O Lagbaja. Obi uchi ihu. That nda so na ekponye ihu because of ocho ka amara ihu on ezo okuchi ihu.
And up till now, Lagbaja.
Up to uchi ihu. Lagbaja ka kpota. Ndị na-ewapụta ihu ha unu kpotara. You have brought people without mask. We saw their face and they ran away. Now you want to bring Lagbaja. Our minister is here. I want you to take this microphone and then one day, but you speak them the language. But wait, before you speak the language, my minister is here. Let me observe protocol. before my minister will sack me from my office. Minister, please, I want you to greet Biafrans because this topic is annoying and I don't know how to handle it. You will help me today.
They will pastor. They will to Adadarabma. They will to all Biafrans all over the world. We are so happy to see another day. And then also, we are also happy to see another set of stupidity displayed by the EWUs that we call leaders in our Biafra land. It's only in Biafra land that you are to see carnage, raping, massacre, and destruction of lives and property. Let me say war, a systematic war. And then instead of the elders to join hands to fight the enemies that are bringing the war, they are now going to join forces with the enemies to actually fight their own children. So this is only happening in Biafra land with the set of the EU's elders that we have today. That's what I call them, EU's elders that we have today. So anyone that misunderstands the messages of the EU elders that we have today, please listen to us, because we are here to dissect it and to make it enter the way you should understand. We have no elders from the sect of OHANAEZE. We have no elders from the sect of the governors. No. We have no elders from the sect of the senators. No. We have no elders from the sect of the ministers. No. Anything that is serving one Nigeria that collects brown and white envelopes, they are not working for our interests. So do not be cajoled into believing that any publication coming out from them is to the interest of Biafrans. The meeting that was held recently by these Southeast, our leaders, the inside information of that meeting was to come and re-strategize and then bring more army to come and kill IPOB. Why? Because the order and instruction of the Biafran government in exile coming out from Maazi Simon Ekpa, our PM, the Agone Chamber 1 of Biafra land, has dismembered their potency in offices. It has dismembered their posterity and their effectiveness. So they are now like flies within the faces of Biafran people. So they did not go there to go and plan of how to come and help you to actualize Biafra. They did not go and plan of how to help you for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be brought out. They did not go to plan of how the carnage can stop in Biafra land, or how they will join forces with us to fight the Fulani terrorists that are coming. What they went to go and do was to go and plan another way of coming with more super Tucano jets to come and kill more of you and bomb more of your communities. So Biafran people, open your eyes, open your ears, and listen to our ministers here in the house. You know, when I saw the publication of Tinubu, bring more army, bring more weapons, and come down to Biafra land because Simon Ekpa has declared a second Biafran war, I laughed. Let us come back to reality. If war were to be in the open space in Biafra land, should you, as an elder statesman of Biafra, now go to take sides with the people that are coming to fight your children? Are you the one that is supposed to now solicit them for weapons to come and kill your children, who are already being killed by the same people, and your children are fighting against them? Are you supposed to be on the side of the terrorists that are killing your children? Or you are supposed to rally around your own children to advise them and then to know how you people can come together and then salvage your land? So this one alone is an indication for you people that did not understand or believe us when we say that those elders don't want your interests. That is why they keep on shouting, one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. This is an indication for you to understand that they have been your biggest enemy from time memorial, especially in the phase of the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and all the massacre and annihilation that has been going on. So you have to say super thanks and kudos to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's existence and the womb that gave birth to him. And also to our PM, the Agone Chamber 1 of Biafra land, who has identified himself as a willing tool for Biafrans to use to get their freedom. And also all his cabinet members that have stood side by side with him. And also the gallant ESN, Biafran Liberation Army, and every armed groups that is fighting to make sure one Nigeria is destroyed. Because if we don't destroy one Nigeria will come to destroy all of us. And if we stop what we are doing, our children, our women, our men, our friends and families, all of them will be wiped off. So this very note, we are not stopping. We are increasing the momentum. Thank you, Mazi. Thank you, Ada Biafra. Thank you. I may not be very stable in the studio because I was on something else. So when I saw you guys on, I just said, let me pop in. We are streaming you guys out on Twitter, Facebook, and every other media. So a lot of Biafrans are listening to the broadcast. So keep up the good work and let the fire continue to burn.
We are blessed to have a very versatile minister who is always up to date, top notch, available, and always ready to be there to deliver, you know, the message of freedom to the people, leading by example. Thank you so much. We are grateful to have you, my minister, and we push on from here. Thank you so much. Adadyo Amma, please, with the anointing of Ndembo Mandegede, please come and talk us into some of these people, because the language they understand, you know how to speak it. So speak, let them hear.
Well, for that news, dollar, because making a face, because on your night, you me for you, lazy. So if I made $1, I'm $1,000 found. When don't for news and dollars now, I shot now what Tinubu the least our leader. How we shot
to Simon up.
Actually, I just thank you. Not only shot up, not to stop or poor sit at home. Can I shot up? Can I shot to put down sit at home? Because everything will stop. And yes, yes, I shot up because our dragon I kuzoku sit at home.
Yes.
So I can't put on a cake for the Kukwazrifon. So what could they tell my Ochuku because I'm a quenya. Even these people, I put them Monday the Kanda and OHANAEZE. I put them those Monday the Kanda. I put them on Yanokete. Jekotandi Abia Buchasumuya. Who for Sa Biabucha Salon Momazia. Because Ekpa Matanda Biabu Moa, I'm free of charge. And the Malamana that now on your own lose Rundi and even the Belabia, how I are Kuku way everything because there's nothing when you do free. And that's a zoo. And they Kuku sit at home. Because of one okay, age since 2 years and then now getting to 3 years. OHANAEZE ndị Igbo aflo eme ije Tinubu because why na anyị nwa anyị nwere ife ome adịm ekwuzi okwu gọvanọ because na gọvanọ anyị ndị Fulani kevawo anyị asọpọtụrụla ụmụnne fa nke ahụ sho mana ndị ahụ kpọrọ ndị OHANAEZE anyị firu na ndị ahụ nna na-ekwutere anyị because anyị akpara OHANAEZE ndị Igbo mana dị sure na these people na-akpọ onwe fa OHANAEZE ndị Igbo ma the meaning of OHANAEZE ndị Igbo adịm sure na na-akpọ OHANAEZE ndị Igbo ma ọlụ fa mana afọ ya chọpụtara that na afọ na OHANAEZE ndị Igbo ha nwe ije Fulani ihe ahụ ha wụ servant ndị Fulani slave ndị Fulani kpatara that na ndị Fulani ya aga before ụmụ nke ha nwa because ihe ma OHANAEZE ndị Igbo ndị na-protect ụmụaka fa ya make sure that na onwere ikpe na ụmụaka ha nwa ihe ọsọkwa ha wụrụ n'ọrụ ya ha n'ebe ụmụ ha bere akwa ha pụtasị kedu ife na-eti ụmụazị a nwanyị ụmụazị a ji egbe akwa mana abịazila ndị surprise na-asị OHANAEZE ndị Igbo wụzifọ gịnị a sị na ọha na eze ndị Igbo ya wụ ọnụ na-ekwuli n'ọnwụ na ọkarịa if na ha dị strong more than governors OHANAEZE ndị Igbo dị strong more than governors OHANAEZE ndị Igbo kwesịrị ịhụ ndị na-agwa gọvanọ ife anyị na-eme n'ala Igbo ọwụwa ụmụ gọvanọ ọwụ na ife si ike n'obodo onye ka a na-akpọje na-abịa na-abata n'obodo kịta ife si ya na-eme ebe ka a na-ebu ụzọ agbaje ọkwa be eze na-achị obodo ahụ from eze na-achị obodo ahụ o mezie ọkarị anya ọ pụọ na lokal gọọmenti ọwụzie na ọkarịzie anya ọkwazie onene ọkwa gọvanọ dị na-abịa n'obodo ife ndị chi eze na-achị obodo si ndị befa ya awụ ka o ya awụrụ ya not gọvanọ enwere right ịbata n'obodo o nwere ebe o ya ejedebe mana ịbata inside obodo chenji iwu dị n'obodo si na gọvanọ si ọ dị possible mana nke o ya chenji nke gbasara gọọmenti so instead these people ya eji that power enwere azị ndị Igbo ahụ jemitie Tinubu si ya nwa anyị nwoke a unu ji nwaanyị unu jiri jide ya unu ọnụtụgo biko sokwanyezi anya na ya adụgota ya n'ife mebigo because of otu nwaanyị nwoke a unu ji na ụmụnne ekweghọzi I'm a mother on a bull because of a JJ, what did the Martin and the Cano, Ndebulu by Ndan, Ndebulu by Ndozama. Even I try is opposite at home. You know, Mokafa money talana because of this kind of this our leader Martin. So now I acquire our leader Martin and the Cano. So why almost also double. So why in the awful. I like Crimea. Haponya, my shock I shot to say that all. Then I because what's that kind of request? They all the board since how no one of higher stop me. So Manaman asked Papa no one OHANAEZE and Nibo Jet Abuja. Unum Kisupaya, what did a Martin and the Cano? Or no, I say I call you to govern or Papa prison corn. I ain't quite. Dragon, see, I know. No more young man, I go papa. Ya wow, now, and I'm in a program. Yana go papa. That's no one because I'm man with all the apple. That's also I will lead the Martin and the can on his custody. No, I ain't belong. I will lead the Martin and the can I will object him with the king at patrol like that. Happy, or do you know me? Then open a happy acquaintance on Abuja, I was at that place. Though you have or Ruzier. It didn't na happy and hope you do it on me. So okay now I know OHANAEZE and the Boneja over than that. But if how shameful to these people, how shameful these people it's a Kija Abuja. Kija Pu Amano OHANAEZE a hapo Amane a hapo valida Mazen Nanka. Unuja Abuja. Hapu Zefunujel or who negotiate. Can you on damn? Ndami ane you nendo ndo fulani ahụ ụmụ na ya ana atukwa egwu ndo fulani ahụ ụmụ ji afụ from zoo country ka ijere ka ha kwenyekwago ka ha bata buchasị isi na na-egbu ndị IPOB edele IPOB here onwere onye ama onye IPOB onye agbara egbo nwụọ kedu ka isi ma ahụ IPOB ọkwefụrụ ụmụazị na-agba ndị polisi gbawuru mbọsị a ofuke n'ime ha nwụrụ anwụ nọ n'ime shop so na ha bata ha mana ndị amị abata ọkwefuru mgbe mgbe ha batara ndị amị bata ọkwefu ka ha si agba mmadụ na-agbawuzi ụmụ mmadụ
direct to the house direct
anaghị agba ọkwefu so aka niile a alili niile a all this pen ka ndị OHANAEZE ndị Igbo ji boast anyị which means na ha dị happy which means not happy. Now all this blood. Kedika yesi ndai IPOB ha na ejakopute ka eje buchasia homelalo Jones na nacho better life munagi muna ha manwago manwo ụmụ wise ana ma jusi ndị OHANAEZE ogini bu iwu unu why unu just support evil in our land why unu ji cheat na ka ndị Fulani wele ụmụ we destroy ya ụmụ nnụnụ na gịnị mere ego wewe ego mmụọ ka ego mmadụ jukerele m ndị OHANAEZE ndị Igbo a envelope ego ne ka a na-enyefa ego ne since 2 years and 3 years kịta OHANAEZE ndị Igbo ahụ ya sị na ha enwego flat of mind because they can't do anything, they can't move up, they can't move around. Yes, no, getting Adam surprised when at times open na because I'm not even make. Okay, now after OHANAEZE ndị Igbo betilego eyeji wejide eyeji oya wo diega ha betinisi awali da mazen na because on work orofa they go to Fulani betinisi awali da mazen na kan work because of that one kg ale now the same one ke betikwa n'aka dragon nwa nwoke ebe jugo no OHANAEZE ndị Igbo mgbe ndị Fulani mgbe ndị medical chọrọ abaka yale ndị Fulani okpale ha abaka yale
where
okay mmadụ one n'ime ndị Fulani ya asị na ndị Fulani nwere nkere enye feso mmadụ one n'ime fa ọkwa agbaturu military distance ọkwa ebe 3 or 4 days ago why you send ndị army that place upon that Nigerian government they protect terrorists no OHANAEZE ndị Igbo ejikọta those terrorists to come inside our land to kill us again. It's not how OHANAEZE you see the name all these people because at times I say it is some OHANAEZE ndị Igbo I want the Fulani camel to come OHANAEZE ndị Igbo na-akpọ ọhaneze ndị anyị na-eche na ụmụnne anyị because ị ge one time akọrọ akụkọ ndị kedu afa Ebube Agụ anyị nụrụ na ifewu ndị Ebube Agụ ndị Fulani ka eyi ka ọ dị akwa ndị Ebube Agụ egosi onwe ndị egosicha picture by day ha na-egbuchasị ụmụazị anyị na-eche onye ka nna nwere onye m na-egbucha anaghị na-eche mgbe ndị Fulani ya abata anyị dị nchọ na ndị Fulani nwere ike ịbata like this afọ ha na igwe abata agbagha ndị be anyị n'ọkwa like this because ha nwara mgbe otu a na-agara mfa
I imagine, echefukwana ihe na-ekwu, remain on your line. I imagine what will enter Onyibo. Because last time in our mama na village, 14 youths got a wedding, 14 youths. 14 of them, 14 of them.
And no, listen, they work for anything. Nothing. Attack and IPOB. IPOB omenalo. Ị na-agazi na main road ndị Igbo na be anyị na Igbo ị na-atụtụkọtazi ozu even na ozu enwezikwa ife ndị Igbo jiri ozu wee kpọrọ because ha afụkọta n'ozu ike gwụfa ihe afụ mmadụ ọtọbili like this a na-azụzi aka n'akụkụ ya because na allowed go used to that obodo a dị afụzi ozu before ị maka na abomination ịfụ ozu na ị na-eje na-afụ ozu na be anyị ejiri nya na-asị ọhaneze ndị Igbo a kedụzi I don't know. Okay, I'm not even me. Come on, here na kalemo. O nwere ihe n'aka. Negwa anya aje vam. Okay, pụta na ha na-eje akpọta jere okwu ya negotiate ye. Okay, mana enya ndị amị ahụ. Okay, mana free of charge. Because they request from federal government to special security ka aje ya request. O nwere ihe na-emenu. Because o na ọgụ. As soon as yes, whole Nigeria, man can't another state, another yes, I think my ponyano. Southeast, they meet in the government. Where's one that's not even a hundred so Bunahani did in Dani. Manama that they were ba. Now let them where I anything owner has spent in that land is not free of charge because they request for that. Bill higher open no one and that one are gonna buy or an end way of put down on my just school today. When I get you go all this nonsense. I loan because of this gender me Mamma any amount of thank you on Abaroko. Or military snapper or OHANAEZE from one case will take money from a bay. He lose room market. No, I lose why your money. Or there's only believe it. And the other one I lose why your land. Or only taking time. Or there's only believe it. Or there's only believe it. No problem. I am Yoruba land, Nemelo with people had happy because had you one mind. Her group, even in the East, and when he came in a Yoruba land, or when he came in a Kano State, when he came in a Nandugu, why you do so on a neighbor this kind of thing? Why you would be in a chair in a dual governor, Nacha, when Kaya Smas, no, so on can I quick, can they make do there? All of them is the same. All of them are the handling oath to protect us. A basic that oath today, which means you have an angle rubber. When I come out of home, my brother Mark was a good about only a Japan.
Wow, that's I told them was not in a anytime more bag no be two man, them one and they get in Hanago again up because I don't understand for the like of me the set of people because the thing about and Biafrans we are going to open the line also so that I won't take so much time in doing this. I'm going to put the link for please. I need to come in. Beautiful. Eze Livinus wants to come in, and Eze Livinus is watching from Adadi Olama's channel. Adadi Olama, a link I have sent the Link, I can send by again. You get in our own comment section. Okay, I can put it here. I can put it from here. Don't worry. I'll put it from so that those that want to connect from your own comment section can connect. Please, I want Biafrans to come in because I don't understand how the people that put a bounty on their brother's head from 50,000 to 100,000, from 100,000 to 500,000. And they are complaining that the economy is dying. The economy is dying, and they are projecting bounty. They are projecting bounty on Ekpa, but the economy is dying. Now, just like Adad Jama have revealed, which I have not, my mind have not gone towards that side before, you know, that these people are actually going to pay for the services of people coming.
Because it's a special request. A special request, because if not, the request, Nigerian government when you send the army to East. Never. Never. I want to request here. There's no time. How will you send the army? No one. The federal government is requesting here. So I want a special request. Then it's not on Apotania. How they where? Oh, even the OHANAEZE ndị Igbo decide no ibuchasị ụmụaka fa enyere ha n'aka sa protect ụmụazị ọwụna n'aka ndị OHANAEZE ndị Igbo gọvanọ anyị egbu anyị OHANAEZE ndị Igbo egbu anyị nwa ndị Igbo enweghịzi ọnụ na-ekwuru anyị ege ọnụ na-ekwuru anyị enweghịzi ọwụ na iruo na Nigeria
ụmụ Biafra mmadụ onye na-akpọzi m na ụmụ Biafra na akpọ na fonu m na-abụ niile kwudodan onye nka fonu m na-abụ ringi ụmụ Biafra ndị nọ na meeting right now, there are many of them. They want to put mouth in this already in the Igbo issue. Please, you are on a speaker and Biafrans can hear you.
One family. Onele.
I have to call you back. I'm on the last podcast. I can't.
Our leader is Mazen Nandi Okukano, the 12 of our time, the Iroko 3 of our time, or Amadike 1. We don't have any other leader except Mazen Nandi Kano. And we support our Prime Minister, Biafran in exile, Simon Ekpa. He's another man to our struggle. OHANAEZE ndị Igbo. OHANAEZE ndị Igbo bụ betrayer in this struggle starting from 2015 to today. Our leader Mazen Nandi Kano be saying it about OHANAEZE ndị Igbo. Have a betrayer. And in the Nigerian Constitution 1999, nothing like OHANAEZE ndị Igbo in Nigerian Constitution. Ndị Igbo bụ ndị sị na ha bụ OHANAEZE ndị Igbo. Ha biko I this struggle because they are level. They don't need them in this struggle. And I want to give you opportunity that when I go back the IPOB, Biafrans, all over the world, that this sit at home 2 weeks will bring another dimension in this Biafran struggle.
Yes.
In these 2 weeks at home, we bring another dimension for the release of Mazen Nandi Okukano.
Correct.
Biafra referendum.
Yes.
I should our elder, the elders of our zone. Our elder can help you.
Okay, I am the elders. Omo Biafra can listen to you worldwide. This program now worldwide, go to America, Europe, Africa, everywhere. Ngwano Biafra can hear you. Ndi OHANAEZE say, "Can make sure Simon on can release Mazen Nandi Kano." And I just nobody had agwa since. Owabona I say they release Mazen Nandi Kano. And make sure no balance at home. When he get
Nobody can stop Simon Ekpa, and nobody can stop Nandi Kano, and nobody can stop IPOB. People cannot do it because our leader Mazen Nandi Kano after commentary, or say that me and the Simon Ekpa is a one spirit. Me and the Simon Ekpa is one spirit. Our leader, we are 2020. After commentary, ESN inaugurate 2020. That me and the Simon Ekpa is a one spirit. Me and Simon Ekpa is a what? One spirit. So I just can our elder
Okay.
One
family.
family.
One family.
IPOB. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Our volunteers is here. So they want to give our leader support and also Simon Ekpa and the Prime Minister of Biafran.
Please put them on the speaker. Let them talk.
Okay. IPOD.
One family.
One family.
One family. Remember also.
I like one big family. But to pass away, we are talking about the bomb. Yalema, who had them with so to accord the Korea from Kwano Balamo. Umaja would you to accord the Amen.
Amen. One family. One family. One family. One family. One family.
I'm a citizen, I'm a family. I'm a citizen and a family. One family. IPOB.
Because of now, I'm half minute. I'm a now I have the terrorists. I have the mother. I have the camp, and I have freedom
fighters.
I have some polo. I saw the one to rank you, but I don't want. I have not done one. Why you are not good enough? I know, but after some person, I have I am 2 years our mother is not the kind of as now as I'm on is one spirit. I told you what 3 dimension. Yeah. So those who I say so I'm one day sorry. My secret those here. The US, you have the US, not just the US. I not super big. I now watch here, go to the Monday. So you know, I want to say unit 1, zone 4. But the blockage, I put the mother see by no any amount of money making for the street by the Abu not the kind of not panic, but I know ya, but I
He said,
he said, I want you to get.
Nabiko, any Biafran to get. We never attack again, no. Biafra, equally not Biafra, when you attack again, no. Manifest, look at. And you landing a malichuku. Landing a malichuku to the Alba. Oh, na.
One family. One family. IPOB. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, wow, wow. That is you need for the level. No, sir.
We are not afraid of our enemies are afraid of us.
Yes.
Also our prime minister,
Yes.
we are in Okija. Biafran 1967 to 1970 after bomb in Okija, and I have a lot of large book. Security in IPOB. I have to know about the time. Now, not Biafran, I can't know what I go. Now, I go to
wow. Right? No problem. Okay, let me see you. Let me see you people. Let me see you. I've got the Biafra not online. I will not go to the world. I just want to see you. Call me on video to see you. There are many of them gathering together in a okay. Let me see what's happening here. Okay. Wow. Wow. One family. IPOB. OHANAEZE.
Sit at home. No referendum, no election. This is our poster here. With our leader,
live and direct. I'm watching them live and direct. Live and direct. These are gallant men, live and direct.
Nothing will happen.
Yeah. Adabiorama neke no. Adabiorama neke no. One family. IPOB. Wow, wow, wow. I can see the flag. There are more than 50 of them already gathered together. Men are determined to break that yoke. Everything. Wow.
No surrender.
Land. One family. IPOB. OHANAEZE. Emekwazo. Wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is awesome. This is awesome. I am watching them live and direct on ground. On ground. So because of location, I cannot show you this video.
No.
Biko, Enya Biafra.
Biafra, when you're attack again, though.
Biafra, Biafra,
One family.
All right. Kanu say hara noro ebe aha. I chokunu mana that na I am very, very proud of you. And Omo Biafra are watching all over the world. So on a channel now, over 300 are watching that I can see on my channel. And then there are other channels that are hooked up to this and now watching. And I'm telling them that na no get there. Uno suru get there na Biafra. What if megano? And the kono say loro to ko ka biama gazet berani Biafra gabiare na ho na fanua. Ndi niile bonde sabo na ifeanyi na-eme na nwere nwaanyị na-achọ Chineke nna pụrụ ihe niile tupu ka bịa ha aka nshi ha niile ga-aba ha ọnụ ka ha na-edisive ụmụ Biafra aga Abuja ha sị na na-aga ịgwa maka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu release ha gaa ha kọrọ ihe ọzọ ha gaa Abuja ka ha ga kpọọ ndị military ka na-abịa na Biafra land ala Biafra ga-eri isi ha ala Biafra ga-eri isi ha nga unu niile nọrọ hara nọrọ ebe aha mgbọ agaghị atụ ụnụ ọ na-eme n'azụ na nọ n'ihu ọ na-eme n'ihu na n'azụ ebe nọ Chukwu okike abịa ma were aka nsọ ya wee kpuchigide ụnụ wee wuru a shield around you ha tụọ bọmbụ ha agaghị explode maka na aka Chukwu nọ n'elu ụnụ ọ kpuchiri ụnụ ofu onye n'ime unu ga-egbu 100 of them. Ofu onye ga-etigbu 100 Fulani. Ofu onye ga-etigbu 100 Fulani. Mmadụ abụọ ga-etigbu 1000 Fulani maka na ndị Fulani fa achọghị ndụ. Nekwa ihe na-abịa n'ala Igbo, ihe na-abịa n'ala Biafra. Anyị ga-enwe ọkụ, anyị ga-enwe ụzọ, anyị ga-enwe hospital, ụmụ anyị ga na-aga akwụkwọ, everything ga na-aga nke ọma. Kwada Biafra anyị na-achọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu apụtarịrị ihe niile wegasịrị werere na aha Chukwu abịa mapụrụ ime ihe niile
ise
denu ntị Ada Biara ma chọrọ ịgwa unu okwu Ada Biara ma mgbakwuo ha ga na-anụ
ụmụ ndị mbụ na ndị egede ana m ekene ụmụnne m jisi n'ike onwere ife ya emenụ ndị be anyị si na ọkụ nwata gị n'aka ya ele nwunye ana onye nna ya ruri oshi na-eji ọkpa were agbawa ụzọ ma a na-amara datị na nna unu dị ụnụ ndị mbụ na ndị egede duru unu oshi unu eji ọkpa wee gbawasị ụzọ niile bikos na mmadụ anyị anọ na biye na ọgbuo onwe ndị be anyị si na ọbịa ma abịagbune ma ọ na mkpụmkpụ apụ na ya mana anyị si na ha na-abịa be anyị ka ha bịa gbuo anyị bịa gbuchasị ụmụnne anyị tụ ụmụnne ndị anyị sikwa na ụmụnne a sị ndatị na mmeri ya awerele nke unu ya nọ n'ihu ha ya nọ n'azụ unu ya nọ n'azụ ha ya nọ n'ihu ọkwụ ha ya eji were bịa ozu ka ha ya eji were na ole si na o nwere ife ọjọọ anyị mere fa ụmụ Chineke ụjọ atụ n'ụlọ a sị nka Chukwu okike abịa ma na ndị mbụ na ndị egede niile na nwụrụ na bịa niile ụmụaka niile nwụrụ na akwasị ọkọ asị nka mmụọ niile ahụ soro ụnụ nụọ ya wụ ọgụ asị nka mmụọ niile ahụ nọrọ ụnụ n'ihu ya nọrọ ụnụ n'azụ ya nọrọ ụnụ aka niile aka ekpe ya nọrọ ụnụ n'elu na anị mgbe ụnụ ha ya bịa n'ụzọ ebe ụnụ nọ asị m ka mmụọ niile nwụrụ na Biafra land ihe niile nwụrụ n'ihi nnwere onwe ụmụazị niile nwụrụ akwasị ọkọ asị m mmụọ ha binye ha jiela ya agha ha ya naanị ya ụnụ na-eso ha n'azụ ụmụ Chukwu okike abịa nwe nata ibe ya eme ụnụ na n'ife m ji ngwara ụnụ aka ụnụ ji wee pụkpa nke ụnụ ya eji wee nata asị ndatị na ọnwụ ya egbu ụnụ ọnwụ nke Chineke wetara ụnụ nke mmasị n'aka mmadụ enwenataghị ike ịfụ ụnụ asị m ka ha nụ ndị Fulani ndị gọvanọ anyị ma ha nwoke ma ha nwaanyị ndị planụrụ ije a ka ha bịa gbuchasị ụmụfa asị Chukwu okike abịa ma ngwa ọnwụ na ya dọ n'ala Igbo ya da ha ncha niile n'isi ya da ụmụ ha n'isi ya da ezinụlọ ha n'isi ya da jenereshọn ha n'isi asị m Chukwu okike abịa ma onye na-agwa unu nwa ada ndị mbụ na ndị egede unu atụ n'egwu unu ọ na ife na-agwa unu binye unu achili aja ala Igbo were kwuo okwu were si na nwa aja ndị mbụ na ndị egede dewere unu abịaghị ụwa bụrụ ihe unu bịara ụwa fịa adị ndị mbụ na ndị egede udore unu wee jekwuru ihe and ụmụ unu ejekwuru ihe ụmụ niile ejekwuru ihe onwe onye anyị n'ala nke ha ọ dịghị onye ya nara anyị nke anyị unu ji bunye ya enu move njem nothing will happen ada ndị mbụ na ndị egede onye gwara unu okwu a n'afa Chukwu okike abịa nke ndị mbụ na ndị egede anyị kpọkụrụ nke ndị mbụ na ndị egede ji wee dowela anyị ala sọsọ aka anyị ma sọsọ aka anyị na-akpọkụ adị sọsọ onye ya na-anụrụ anyị ọgụ n'afa Chukwu okike abịa ma ise ụmụnne njisi n'ike
PRO, Biafrans are listening to you. Good evening. And I can see you. I can see this is a veteran. Mazi. Why?
Oh my God.
What?
I need to speak with this. For me to speak with these people, oh my God.
Yes. You say.
Our brother, Reverend Bam, huh?
I can hear you.
I reckon on your PRO would have known and the Panic I need the security. Our brothers, Ekpa involved, I'm not there because the mind of Keja, and the mind they don't green. And I say, I'm actually I'm a higher fight because I know this could happen. I not enough because the yoga could do much. Much cook and the yoga
Can't you conclude very quickly? Can you sit at home? Say it what you have to say.
I know sit at home 2 weeks. Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafran, sit at home. I never deposed of 2018. Second thing we are not going to do. Everybody is sitting at home. Because for self-defense is allowed. And this sit at home is a stable disobedient in our land. So I support to Simon Ekpa for this sit at home and I will do work for Biafra because without this sit at home, that your wife cry out than people. I'm a bro for what an I'm a checking point. About boys, chief road on Totua.
He say But no problem.
So ụmụchukwu okike abịa ma ka na-eche ka vam kwucha wute ndị Chineke edowela anyị idetunu na-agwa na panikin na mmeri ya awolele nke anyị because na ndị ọha na eze ndị Igbo si na ha jere Abuja ka ha lelize awalida Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ekwu okwu ka ha lelize awalida Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ndị gọvanọ anyị wee sị na ba anyị ha elelizie ife gwara prime minister ụlọ na mgbe prime minister kwuru yesterday being dragon ha wee sị na kpọọ dragon na phone gọvanọ mmadụ na-akpọ dragon na phone sadat na ha ha elelize awalida Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ha ya akpọdatala anyị ndị amị so ndị amị ya bịa gbuchasị anyị ya ka ha bido ndị amị bịa bidokwa ebe ha kwụsịrị nwee ike ejine ndị amị gbuo obi a na-ejine ndị amị gbuo hope ụzọ dị mma ejine ndị amị gbuo kedu afọ ya anụ na Ebonyi steeti nke Ebonyi steeti a ọ ji ụzọ Kanụ ejine ndị amị gbuo all of them ekpokputecha na ndị amị na mgbe blame Nigerian gọọmenti na-ekpodata ndị amị ma ọ na-eblame ndị na-achị anyị because ọnwụ na ndị na-achị anyị na ha achọrọ ndị amị nwere ka federal gọọmenti ya esi ekpotela anyị ndị amị because onwere ife a na-eme na be anyị adị anụ ọgụ adị anụ agha so afụrụ m ka ọnwụ na ndị a sị dat na anyị achọrọ ndị amị onwere ka ndị amị ya esi wee bata onwere ka ndị amị ya esi wee bịa gbawa ndị be anyị egbe so n'ọdị testi ha mere ọda ka ha tụrụ anyị ọda ndị ọga na eze ndị Igbo na gọvanọ anyị ha tụrụ anyị nwụ ọda ọnwụ instead nye anyị ọda ndụ nye anyị ọda nri nye anyị ọda mmiri nye anyị ọda ilo nye anyị ọda ọkụ nye anyị ọda good hospital nye anyị ọda good school nye anyị ọda ezigbote afịa mba anyị enye anyị ọda ndị a na ọda fanyere anyị ọda ọnwụ ka ha jeje wetara anyị dị olitin ndị ọha na eze ndị Igbo na ndị gọvanọ na-achị anyị wụ ka ha gbuchasị anyị ọda ọnwụ kedu ka obodo ndị na-achị obodo ndị obodo tụkwasara obi ndị obodo si na ndị a ka anyị ji eje ndị anyị ekwutela anyị ọnụ anyị ma ọ dị mma ma ọ dị njọ ha nwa ya ekwutela anyị ọnụ anyị ka ezi ka o sizi wuruzie dat na no those people anyị tụkwara obi ya ekwutela anyị ọnụ anyị ndị na-egbuzi anyị egbu ndị jizi ndụ anyị egwu ndị jizi anyị atụ mgbere ọgan kezi ka o si wuruzie ha nwa wụ ọnwụ na-egbu anyị kezi ka o si wuruzie ha nwa wụ ahụ anyị na-aya ka o si wuruzie ha nwa nwaanyị ndị ọha na eze ndị Igbo na gọvanọ ndị na-achị anyị si wee wuru na mmiri anyị na-aṅụ wụ ọbara ụmụnne fa mmiri anyị eji na-asa arụ wụ ọbara ụmụnne fa ọkwa ịma na nnukwu ezigbote ife na-eme n'ala Igbo onye ka m ji wee si na ọnwụ na-enyochacha ọdịs gọvanọs nyochacha ndị ọha na eze ndị Igbo a ụmụchukwu okike abịa ahụ ndị Igbo ihe awa abandoned child ndị Fulani mụrụ mgbe anụrụ Biafran war ihe awụ ụmụazị niile ha mụrụ ha debesịala anyị ndị awụ na ya aṅụ mmiri tọgbọ iko ọha nwa nọ na ọha na eze ndị Igbo and ụmụnne na anyị nwere ife nchọrọ egwu ụnụ ịma na ndị Igbo mechara mgbe ndị bụ Igbo mere nkịta chọpụta na ọnwụ na ịzaba afa ndị Awụsa ha enye gị ọrụ n'ọyị kọmpani ịzaba afa ndị Awụsa isoro na federal enye gị achọ otu ọrụ nye gị onye ọnwụ na chenji eta afa ndị Awụsa ọ mgbe ahụ ka those useless people pụtagasịrị ọ mgbe ahụ ka ha nche niile wee kirigo ọp chọwazie ha ana nna ha ọ mgbe ahụ ka ha wepụtazi their real identity bi na onye Awụsa ha wụ bi na onye Fulani ha wụ ọ ha ka a na-ewezi ọrụ hence na iwe onye Fulani i present nwori this show that na iwe onye Fulani wee ego n'ọrụ ha nwa problem ndị Igbo na-enwe up to today mgbe a na-asị gị that na a na-ekidnap Iya for onye Fulani na-enanya alụndụ anyị na-eme alụndụ anyị na-eme onye jiri ebe anyị jiri ohi mobile phone onye Igbo 100% Igbo anya ya time ya ọkụ mana ya afọ onye Fulani bụ AK-47 look at ife me last time ọhaneze ndị Igbo ha sị na ha afụghị ya gọvanọ ya sị na ha afụghị ya ebe adị Fulani mmadụ na-abụ lepuo ofu nwatakịrị lepuo nwunye for 6 good months. Nobody.
Maybe MNK is.
Only ya fi meje ni igbe na ya abortion n'ime ọbịa onye nwe ife nwatakịrị ajebiga ịma pen nwa ajebiga ime abortion ụmụ nwoke na after that abortion ahụ ha bidokwa again ebe fa kwụsị.
I was expecting them to stage a massive protest to the office of Soludo to say how to refute those 2 men.
Fulani the plowed. N'ezie anya dị ndị asị na ha ndị jidere fanụ n'ezie ka esi handle ofa. No problem. Even you go ahead because now you onye na-azụ ka ọ ma je because ndị securities ahụ ife ba na-eme ka ọwụ. Ebe ka anyị nọ. Ebe ka anyị dị free. Onwe ebe dị free na Biafran land. So na ha na-agwa na ha na-eje kote ndị amị. Awụrụ ife ọfụ ka ọwụ anyị. Ote na ha gbuwere anyị. Even ma ndị amị anọ ha na-egbu anyị egbu. Amanda Amino, Hane Buayebu, Oko to one I can walk today. So what if I for Omanaya who said, only if I for a man, how that what a master and the Kano could say? No good no phone for a Biafran land. Oh, ye would tell Biafra. And they believe you know poor leader. There's one name Paul. I get the here. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You know, that's one thing about our beloved sister. You know, I see her as a goddess of Biafra because whenever she is in this spirit, she speaks with so much passion and so much love. You see the spirit of Biafra. When you see the spirit of Biafra, you can't, you know why. If you look at me, now, because the spirit, when the spirit of Biafra is in you, about the spirit of, deceit or wayo nebo. When a language they use wayo, pretense. No, it is real, genuine. It's not worship of our real, genuine love and passion for freedom. You know, as far as not Biafra. Now, onye dey against our struggle, not against person now because talk about Biafra. Is about GMU. That is physically about GMU physically. I'm telling you, because our fighter I go too much. I fight try to go too much. Because of FCK, our parents are not tough. You know, some of the Umaka was in gas school, I got school. You know, Faga boy, okay, boy. Some of the people think how we didn't want to go to my school, and then because now ego government and this ego government and me the mundo be na taafo mundo be na taafo masina be kanu bonyamo to enjoy the goodness of this life. Masina be kanu bonyamo with that is what we say no with silver spoon, but he decided to be with the poorest of the poor. Everything about white or riches of this world, just to bring himself low, to join the lowest man, to fight for freedom. Then
a king for that matter, a king to be.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm sorry, my people that don't understand Igbo, this particular part I'm speaking, if I release it in English, this channel will go down by tomorrow. What I'm saying in Igbo, if I say it in English, forget about this channel tomorrow. I'm telling you, because I'm angry. Very, very angry. Look on Facebook, About Jim Madon, because that is when they win. Mazio, please, I have put the link on all the channels and on our data on YouTube. I put it on the comment section. Just hit the link and join, but I'm going to be giving only 2 minutes so that you don't exceed at most 3 minutes. So you give your point and then we'll move on. The links are there. Let people come in. Oh, and Palace, you're first to take the microphone. Please go ahead and express your concern about what we're talking about. My brother.
Adadorama, thank you. God bless you all. God bless you. Adadorama,
thank you, my brother.
I'm in the market now. I'm in the market, so I was like, let me just thank you people for what you are doing for us. Although that I'm not in Nigeria. I'm in Ghana. Ghana and Nigeria, they're still the same. They're still the same thing. Just that Ghana people are taking care of they're taking care of their own citizens. That is why. So I'm happy for seeing you people. Whenever I saw people in screen like this, I used to be happy. Even if it's my last card to do bundle, and it's okay for me. It's okay for me. So that is why I just want to say thank you so much. God bless you all, please.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well
done. Thank you. All right, fellow Biafrans, you can send a request to come in, and you will be, welcome. Now, these people, this same set of bastards, this same set of warfare, that's in a shut up, releasing them to shut up Simon Ekpa. Then you would think that they are saying it because they mean it. They are saying it because they are criminals. They don't mean anything they are saying. Look at what they mean. What they mean is this thing, because they are just stomach infrastructure bastards. OHANAEZE to Tinubu. Second Biafran war has begun. Deploy soldiers to southeast. OHANAEZE yeah.
Second war to begin. Second war to begin.
Hey, that's na second war. No be to go. Here na second war be to go on the road. No Simon Ekpa because not can never do see it at home. For Mazinam cannot release. As na second war has begun. But a soldier can be war. Okay, so then I say what na Biafran land. Akwa Biafra be gusi ni Biafra. Kabia bo mu no. Unu na fuye na eme no gwa osa. Soldier neka ogogudu gwa osa. The terrorists they go over everywhere there. Now Kaduna, the governor of Kaduna Pota, see now some part of Kaduna, now the terrorists they go over. Pota kwasi see soldiers so to go and deliver that part to like that. Or just Pota see that now some part of Kaduna is now under the terrorists. And he is not able to control that side. Okwagu, there is nowhere we saw in the news that now Rufai of Kaduna now said, please, because some part of Kaduna are falling under some terrorists, please send in soldiers there to deliver the situation. No way, you did not hear it. The governor is the one that said it, that the part of that state have been taken over. But no army was deployed there. Somebody is calling. Let's see if he's calling for the program. Hello, are you okay? Please switch off that one you are listening with, please. Yeah, you need to switch off that one you are listening with before I'll be able to put you on speaker, please. All right, let me put you on speaker so that you would speak. I don't want to make a comment. I'll put you on speaker right now. All right. All right, go ahead immediately, please.
Okay, I have Biafra. Our brother, sister, thank you. I greet you.
Thank you.
I greet you. Remember there was a day I called not only your program, but Mazuko autopilot. I was complaining for one thing, and there is nothing that you told me that day. I will tell you. But if you can remember the day I called, I was very angry. I was asking you, brother, why not we shut down the oil company? That these people will not be coming to take our distance because I'm becoming very angry. And what you asked me a question. He said, do I believe in someone ever? I said yes. He said, do I believe in his structure that is given between us. I say, yes. He told me that I should cool down, brother, that things will come to the normal place. I say, okay. Now, brother, people don't understand what is happening now. Immediately, our Prime Minister, for the first time, he announced that we're going to shut the oil company down. During this 2 weeks lockdown. Immediately he said that thing, call for meeting for Abuja. Everybody, after that meeting, they put bounty on our Prime Minister. Army chief come out, police chief come out, Navy chief come out. People who have never speak to about man the car or sit at home.
This man is intelligent, very intelligent man.
When they run up for wrong, he just jumped out. They find over to stand agreement to come and kill us. Everything is coming out because of that comment. It is not because of sit at home. You are not coming for it because of sit at home. It is because of that announcement our leader announced. That is what is happening. That is what caused all this thing that he has seen now. Not about 2 weeks at home, no. It is because of the oil. That announcement our leader made. That is the end. That is what I'm telling you. That I say, any day that we make this comment, you will see our enemy. You will see the enemy of them. All of them will come out. We are waiting for them. We are waiting for them to speak. Because they are the last people now that we talk for this oil. I'm telling you the truth, brother. It's the oil, everything that all the beast in them now is coming out. It's not because of 2 weeks sit at home. Now this oil that we announced. Thank you, brother. I'm very happy for the exposition that you are giving out. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate your insight. You know, I like intelligent Biafrans. I remember vividly the day this our brother called on the program, and I told him this thing. I told him, do you trust Simon Ekpa? He said yes. Do you believe that any instruction he gives us is for the interest of Biafrans? He said yes. I said, okay, wait, you will see things take shape. And first and foremost, I want to be happy to appreciate my brother Chicha Coin Taco. Chicha Coin Taco. This is your name. They had me most times, but happy you are able to make it today because you have been trying for so long to join us on the live broadcast. Thank you. Now, this brother has come to identify one basic fact. Now, ever since our sit at home, you know, they will not make noise. Sit at home is destroying them. You hear them say, now their economy that they destroy, not be our own. That their own land they destroy. Now suddenly, when we have intensified it and have increased the volume, you see them bringing out the statistics of how many, you know, amount of money they have lost in trillions within this short time of time. Now, above that, P2B have not tweeted anything about this civil disobedience. Decided to tweet about it. Hopus Odinjo quickly organized OHANAEZE and Igbo and that one and Doshi. They gathered themselves in Abuja to do the more you look, the less you see. All of them that have not said anything, you see them coming out, popping up from every corner. I appreciate you, my worry sister. Thank you so much for this super chat. God bless you. Thank you so very much. You see, they are from every corner now, coming from their hole. You see Chinas and Wanset and Chicken, all of them. The people that have been underground, the smoke of the dragon have chased them out. All of them are out now. And now, have you ever seen them say they want to fight dirty? Now they say they want to fight dirty. They are fighting dirty. Why? Because our Prime Minister has said we are going to touch the most important thing to them, which is intensifying to make sure that oil exploration in Biafran will be restricted, and from there we increase the volume to the highest volume, to the highest. Now they are talking. Let them talk. Nothing will stop us. And look, if they do not take the necessary action, they do not work out to make sure that they obey our Prime Minister and these are leaders in American. All these things they are talking, they will begin to see the action. They will see the action because our Prime Minister doesn't just say. He says what he means and he means what he says. I'm telling you, so all these release Mazin Namdekan to shut Simon Ekpa up. You know, do you think that releasing Mazin Namdekan means that you will just come out and tell us we have released Mazin Namdekan? No. Mazin Namdekan was kidnapped in Kenya. The release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu means that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be on a very particular jet back to either Kenya or the United Kingdom, not in Nigeria. You cannot release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria. No, he must be released to where you kidnapped him from. So let me. You are going to hold on, please. I'm going to put you on, but people are here to answer first. Okay, you're going to hold on. All right. So very, very quickly, I want to welcome Gaddafi of Biafra. And Gaddafi of Biafra, please mute yourself.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, my great people of Biafra. Thank you, my fellow comrade. Thank you, General Van from Vatican City. I thank you, my fellow comrade, the Minister of Information that is in the building. My personal person, Ada de Olama. I salute you all. Plus, you know, I don't grow old. There are some tiny that I'm seeing there. Please, I salute you too. My brother, they never teach something. What they are seeing is just a supporting of the movie. The real movie never starts. We are going to shut Nigeria down. We are going to shut Nigeria down. At least our leader said, when you look for me, you don't see me. Set Nigeria ablaze. That is what we are just doing. If they don't want to set Nigeria ablaze, they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Then we cannot start talking about the referendum dates. But for now, we are asking for 2 weeks sit at home. And as the Prime Minister has given order that every oil exploration should stop on 28th of this month. There we stand. Now for the useless human being in Anambra call himself commissioner that talk about killing. 2023 is different from all those 2017. Far different. 2017 we were carrying a flag. You were killing us at random. This is 2023. We will return fire for fire. We are hiding it. We are into armed struggle. So if you think you can hit us with your bullets, at least there was a prophecy that there come a time that guns and bullets will no longer stop us. We are just stepping into that time. So to Mr. Lagbaja, I know in a Yoruba meaning Lagbaja means nobody. So Mr. Nobody, you can deploy your military. We are waiting for them. As they come, you will see them come, but you will not see it go. Our land will open their mouth and swallow them. Their arrow will drink their blood. Let them carry their tank and come and carry whatever they want and come. We are waiting. It is our fight. It is our land. We cannot run away from them. It has gone those days. They kill us in our Ngwa High School. Nothing happened. They kill us in National Board Junction. Nothing happened. Obibu. Nothing happened. Even Port Harcourt. Nothing happened. No. It won't repeat again. You go to Izumbe, burn down a whole community, set it ablaze, kill the people, men and women, children, and you jubilate. You go the other day and shoot to people. You were shouting everywhere, water, come and water it again. The era has passed. Power has changed hands. We are in charge. This time we are in charge. So anything you know you can do, bring it up. So for OHANAEZE Ndi Igbo, you guys put bounty. We are going to place band on you guys very soon. You place bounty on our leader, Mazi Simon, and we are going to place band on you guys. All of you go to exile and enjoy the exile as we are enjoying it. So this is at home. Sit in your house Sit in your house. Sit in your house. It is sit at home. We are demanding for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. At least the Abokis has released Abba Kyari, the criminal. Abokis has released their own Boko Haram. Pay them. There are a lot of them here. Oh. I see them here. They say they come to study. They travel at will. Then you call us One Nigeria. One Nigeria is a very big scam. That is a language they use to weaken our Eflefus, our intellectuals. One Nigeria is a language manufactured by Gowan to use it to weaken us. We are not interested in One Nigeria. We are interested in Biafra. And they say the time will come. Guns and bullets will no longer stop us. The time has come. Like those Eflefu that went to do interview to the judge in Finland. The Eflefu, the judge told them that violence is part of the choice. It's a last option. We are in our place of last option. So, fellow Biafran, tell your people, speak to your people to sit at home. Let every man and woman sit at home. Let everybody sit at home. The people who will come and sympathize with the decent goat them, the one that call themselves goat will not call you goat, because it's only goat that to disobey. Now, you that will come and sympathize with them, telling us to go and tell them sorry, you better use that your mouth, that your toilet you come out, which you will use later. Use it now and tell them to sit in their house. Time has gone. When they say DOS share the money, now we are now the IPOB, the real IPOB bring the Biafra. That's the slogan now. Real IPOB will bring the Biafra. That is the new slogan.
Correct.
So it's no longer the time of share the money. It is time of bringing the Biafra. And you who call yourself that you have a Biafran blood, you want to lead the war in our land, we will see you as enemy. You will die like them. They will kill us, as our leader said. We will kill them. At the end of the day, Biafra come. We will defend our land. We will defend our air, land, and sea. Get it in your head. Don't come out when they ask you not to come out. At least some of you will get palliative. But if it's for me, I will not give you anything palliative, because it's not the time. The time will come when we provide food for every Biafran. Time will come. When we declare the Republic of Biafra, the government of Biafra will take care of you. Full time. So, but above all, thank you, my fellow comrade. We are not backing down. The time has gone when you come here, come tell us deploy military. We are not backing down.
The fear. They want to call the prime minister on phone. Governor, through governor, call prime minister. Didn't they tell you the prime minister doesn't even want to hear your voice? Your voices are now shaking. You know what I mean?
Oh, another one. Make I go see. Another one that happened. Another two governors from South.
Okay.
Don't come online too.
Okay.
Don't be supposed to announce them. Now who they call? Supposed to announce them.
Thank you very much, my brother. I bless God for your life. There is a Biafran that have been on the line for the past 10 minutes. Please let us give him the time to speak. My brother, beloved Levi, you can now speak. I'm going to put you on speaker, please. I'm sorry, you are just going to speak for like 3 minutes. So please, okay, go ahead.
Let me go straight. The repent announced that 4 trillion was lost in sit at home. I will laugh, because if we can get 4 trillion in 2 years, it means that we can build Dubai many times in Igbo land. But why is it that our roads are still very bad? Trillion. We can build many Dubai after 10 years. Now, the second thing is the myth about Igbo economy. They economy. You're destroying our economy. But now they have exposed themselves, telling us that it's not Igbo economy, but it is Nigeria economy. That's the way. That Igbo economy, 80% of them are generated from Southeast. So if there's any problem with the economy in Southeast, it is Nigeria economy. So let's stop listening to them when they say Igbo economy. They are liars. They are liars. The third thing I want to talk about is that we are now defending ourselves. We have not gone into attacking. By the time we begin to attack, the whole world will hear us.
Yes.
For now, we are only defending ourselves and they are crying. So let nobody come down. We are not attacking yet. We are just defending. By the time we go into attack, they will hear me. Then another point I want to make is we used to have problems in Biafra. Our problem used to be betrayers. If we lost at all in the Biafra war, which I know we did not lose because they...
Hey, your line is awful. Your line is awful. Network. If I knew that he was in a bad place, I would have taken his call since. His line is off. Please, if you're watching, okay, call back. Call back. All right. Please, I'm going to put you back on speaker. Round it up. All right, you're on speaker now. Please, can you just quickly talk? The network, his network is not good. My brother, hello? Hello? Okay, I'll put you back on speaker now. Please go ahead and round it up.
Okay, yeah. So, things we used to suffer in the past, and then this economy, they say, if you continue, you are destroying my... But now, they destroyed our economy in Abuja. They destroyed our economy in Lagos. Now we are getting used to it. So it does not frighten us again. We are not afraid of that one again. And we are not afraid of saboteurs and betrayers. Once we conquer these two elements, we are good to go. Now, the last point I want to make, if this at home can destroy 4 trillion by the time we tighten other buttons, Nigeria is completely gone. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You know, our men, our people on ground are even more determined and more resolute than us. You understand? Those of them on ground are more determined and resolute than us. I'm telling you, honestly. I am so impressed. You know, when I hear them, I'm so impressed. All right. Thank you very much. Now we are going to allow our speakers on the screen to begin to talk. Please, Christian, can you please speak up? I'm muting you. Christian?
Okay, brother. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead, Biafra.
Biafra here.
I greet every Biafra on the screen. I greet Adadi Orama. We bless you. You are a warrior of Biafra. We thank you. Keep on keeping on. We greet our minister, Sonny Akwarawa. We greet Gaddafi and of course, Pastor Van himself, the man. The last time I talked, I told you I bought a ticket. If you remember, I said I was going to see you one-on-one. If you remember.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. That was last week. But I canceled it. Then I got, well, it's okay because it had something changed, but it's fine. The most important thing is that we keep focused. We keep our eyes on the ball. For everything going on, our prime minister is they don't know what is coming. I just look at them and I laugh because it's like truly God has turned them into deaf and dumb. So otherwise they would have just gone and settled that, because this is it. I keep saying it. You underestimate our prime minister at your own power because he's a million steps ahead of the zoo. So, and this is a man who he works, including with the spirit of Okike and the spirit of Biafra. They are guiding him in everything. So the notion that somebody said to repatriate, no, that is out of the way. Forget it. Forget it. The only thing is just that we continue to support in terms of finance to build a very good personal security around him. Right. So that is why I'm very much in support of canceling this something we're going to have in Finland. For now, maybe later we sort it out. But for now, I'm fine with it. Let's cancel it and but basically on other things, you know, the OHANAEZE, these people truly, they are laughable people. They're confused, you know, because yeah, they say this and they turn around. They went to the place and they're asking for military to come and so obviously it's hitting them hard. And yeah, I just have to say that I don't know, I'm a little bit overwhelmed with the whole thing. Everything just seems to be happening at the same time, but it's for our good.
Just hang on the screen. I will give you another time to you know, make more submission. We have our brother here, Richard Cointeco. Before the network, he's struggling with the network. My brother.
All right.
Yeah. Go ahead, Richard Cointeco. Please. Your network is really not strong enough. I wonder what's happening to it. My brother Richard Cointeco, are you there one day? Hello. I'm very happy that you are able to enter today, but it seems like that's your camera, that your room network not too damn. You need to look for a better position in your apartment where the network is stronger, because these things need a strong network to connect properly. Can you hear me, Richard? It's terrible. Yeah, okay.
Pastor Bamba, 1 minute. Let me just quickly say this before I go somewhere. Yeah. So I want to talk to Biafrans, wherever, particularly Biafrans or on the homeland. If you want your freedom, this is it. If you see the sit at home is a game changer. Let nobody deceive you. That is the greatest whip. If you see them running kitty katana, is that sit at home. They try to play smart, but our prime minister is, like I always, way ahead of them. The sit at home destroy economy of the zoo. They say is the economy. No. Sit at home is the game changer. All the pressure on them is the sit at home. So you will see in these 2 weeks, the fire will burn their ass so much, they will have no choice than to release Oyendo. So Biafra must know that this is it. For you to be free from this shackle called Nigeria, this evil entity, you must sit at home, you get your food, just relax in your house. Nobody will come to your house to drag you out. It's not done anywhere. And there's no nation who has gotten it.
Did you listen to the idiotic Carol White? The idiotic Carol White, when he was, you know, lying on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gave order for this and that to be done against Simon. He was saying that, yes, I know very soon he will be released. Carol White.
Lie.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released very soon. We know it, because we're going to put pressure on the zoo.
Of course.
Because you are nothing but a bunch of
criminal.
Whether they like it or not.
Yes.
So that's it. Thank you very much, my brother. I appreciate that. Thank you. All right. Please, Richard Cointeco, what's happening to your network, please? What's happening to your network? Can you talk, Richard Cointeco?
Network
hold the on because network and is so I'm on my life. Hold the on network and is so here I may let's see. Please, what I would suggest, Richard Cointeco, please refresh your own system. You can leave the scene, refresh your system, and come back again. Okay, put off your system and put it on back. Come in again the way you did to come in now, and I believe it will be better. But look for a position where the network is stronger in your apartment, because what's happening actually is the network, is not anything. So let's see this our enemy Nwata. Let me unmute you.
Yes.
Before this, my brother, but in my head, the dream sign of Owazrike. Uwazirike tie hey bidanya. Uwazirike binyite hey bidanya. Uwazirike now our business which uwazirike. So our leader mazen na the Canada. Obinye hey bidakwa because of if our leader mazen na the Canada go window. All of them. So because of that, our leader mazen na the Canada move full force. Because I want to down what I yogi gendu ku akika na akpofa na na emu ku osisi onwe ka akika yesi na atia na atia ife osisi ọma ma ma no kuru ya agwụ na o ife nda ngela wali da maazị na ndị kanu o because ọ na-eti na ya emenwu ya onwe ya oye enwe because no one ọzọ back ya no duka otu esi back dragon na so ihe ọ na ha na-ekwu ọ na ha kwucha ha akọkwa wali da maazị na ndị kanu enwekwa obi umeala onye ka dragon ji wee binye ha chi na dragon dọkwa ka wadi da maazị na dị kanụ even ji wee kwokwa because of afa for this my brother nwata so
imadi atụtụ inu anụ a ịma atụtụ inu ama enyi anwụ ite ọgbanyụ ọkụ imadi
exactly. So, please, you need to unmute yourself because you are the one
that that means if you despise a small pot, you will quench your fire.
Exactly.
When you despise small pot, you will quench your fire. How many people?
You are the one that is mute yourself, or unmute yourself and talk to us, please.
I want to move.
You unmute and mute again. Only you they do it's okay. Why are you muting yourself back? It's okay now.
Okay.
Unmute go away again. What are you doing with the system?
Hello?
Is here Buebu? Okay, you can maybe that again because the team name mute away by itself. You need to go out and come back again. The system
okay.
The system will go back. Try and come back again. The Afaga ki how you talk tell us the reason you have that name and tell us why what they will encounter for in the Niani. Meanwhile, let me refresh my full system myself and be sure that I am not the cause. Let me refresh my.
So much for Gadiaman, kind our van coach here. Van Nenenia, okay, Van
and then we are waiting for you. I talk about so I talk
because Van taking this our blood man. Okay, any other papana.
Since morning, but the thing is that your system, all I want are your devices is not connected.
Not connected.
Yes.
Yes.
And I need to off the side.
Can you hear me now?
Hold on, can't address one brother at the background. Eze, I know the guy, but the guy that
out where?
Eze, in the background, Eze, please, you need to check your system, activate your audio, and come in. Go out, activate your audio because it has been there for a long time. There's no way I can bring you in because audio is not good. Your audio is not, you didn't request very well, okay? Just do it well. Richard Contico, I told him since to go out and come back. He insisted and made here, and the system doesn't allow him to come in. So I'm going to take it out. Okay, let me ask you, very important.
Okay.
Yeah.
IPOB.
One
family.
One family.
IPOB.
One family.
One family.
IPOB.
IPOB.
Yes. Good evening, Pastor Vam Vam Vam. Our Honorable Minister, Sonny Abarawa. Ada, Aname Kenegi. My name is Ene Nyamwite Obanyoku. Yes, here the very, very important now. The Alpha is playing now.
Yes.
On they play very, very well. Now. Ndamana, our Prime Minister, our Honorable Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, Bobere Sine Mebike. And the Obo Badron Niro na bere. Low problem. Bob Tapano no way. Help the worker na I put the game na playing. I am very, very happy for our Prime Minister and you guys. You are doing a great job. You are doing wonderfully well. Because what is happening now is just like the zoo undirected. They look at our minister, all of you, look at small boy, they can't do anything. Now they have seen it. They are seeing it water. I like that language, water. You see? That is. Hello? Can you hear me?
Go ahead, I hear you.
Yeah. So now, our Prime Minister, since all these days, sit at home. They were saying, Southeast economy is this, is that, sit at home. And some of these people, they say, who is Simon Ekpa? They were saying all sort of nonsense. But now, the whole thing is clear. That they now form it and they say it's Nigeria economy. And look at, immediately our Prime Minister announced 2 weeks sit at home. And also said oil is coming to zero. All these governors quickly gather. They gather to, do meeting. What they will do, look at OHANAEZE Fulefus. They said they want to put $500,000 on Simon Ekpa. All those things are just magamaga. They were doing magamaga. The era of all those, somebody will be afraid of them. All of us are dead already. You understand? So they can't do nothing. All I want to say is that you guys, in fact, you are doing wonderfully well, especially our Prime Minister. If not for him, I don't know what would have been the fate of our Supreme Leader, Martin Nnamdi Kanu. If not for him, all those in the Zama, what they were doing, gallivanting, talking nonsense. Look at 32 teeth. He was saying the other day that Simon Ekpa is saying stick. They were carrying stick. Is this stick that used to get Biafra? That 32 teeth supposed to remove 3,000. It's 3,000 teeth, not 32. It's 3,000. You're supposed to use plier and remove all his teeth. He's a useless man. By saying stick, he did not understand the coded language. That is why I call them Nzama and the Flefu. When you are an Nzama person in Alaba and all this market, there's nothing you cannot do for you to get that Nza. They call it Nza or Nzama. All of them are Nzama. With them, Nnamdi will have been a forgotten issue. But thank God, the God Almighty we are serving is, it's just like Pharaoh. Let my people go. They use something to block their head. Pharaoh, let my people go. But now they will see it in the Red Sea. What is about to happen now is when they are the Red Sea will cover them and the people will go. And that will be the fate of Biafra very soon in the mighty name of Chukwuka Abiyama. You say. Thank you very much, Pastor. Thank you all for what you are doing. Thank you. God bless you all.
Help me to bring back this message. Listen to it before you go.
Okay.
No. No matter what, you can't take it out. Bandiro Biafra no. Bandi sina Biafra ga in 2023 no. I don't know how you can never swallow it and you can never break it out. So I want you people to understand that propaganda is ongoing. They even said a petition to arrest someone. I do not know, what kind of petition they are signing to arrest someone for other reasons. These people don't understand that we are actually in freedom fighting. Freedom fighting where we do not validate Nigeria's state. We are fighting for our freedom. Nigeria's state have committed war crime, genocide, crime against humanity in our land, leading us to take the decisive decision we are taking today, and every necessary measure will be taken to make sure that we save Biafrans from Nigeria. Come to 2023. I will be, not just I will, I have become your last bus stop. I've said it from the beginning till now. I will be your end. Biafran. When you're really there, I don't see you there. When you got over there,
Atakata você. We're on the line. We'll be on the line for almost 10 minutes. Can you hear microphone? God is great. I'm putting your speaker now. Go ahead.
Okay. Good evening from me. I'm very grateful to you. So I'm very grateful to the gentlemen on the platform. What I want to contribute briefly is that what all of us need now is our freedom. And all of us, personally, me, I'm tired of that contraption. And the point I want to make is that that contraption that called itself Nigeria has a simplified way, just simplified itself for dismantling. There's no two ways. Our country is operating on mono economy. Nigeria is on mono economy. Nigeria is not operating on the diversified economy. So to dismantle it, yes, sit at home. Sit at home is working, but I can attribute sit at home to 10%. Only 10%. If we want to get Mazina out, it's just to get straight to that mono economy, that's their oil, that's their oil industry. Because now, if you're a scientist or precisely a biologist, every organization or organism has a powerhouse of a human being, powerhouse cytoplasm, which is the mitochondria. That's the powerhouse of a human being. So now, the powerhouse of that country is in their oil and in their marine industry. If you take cognizance of 1967, when our former leader Ojukwu declared this Republic of Biafra, he mentioned the maritime territory and the continental shelf, and the continental shelf ceases to exist to Nigerian states. So that is when these people now go and come with a full force. In that continental shelf is in the marine, is where the whole resources, both the crude oil and the marine resources, are deposited. So that is why Nigerian states, they don't want to hear that. They now bring their military. So if we want to clap Nigeria down, we would go straight to that. I know that you have a plan for that. So if you continue with this sit at home truly, they may turn a deaf ear till 100 years. The only thing what they are clamoring for sit at home, what sit at home is giving them worry, is because of that authority. They are losing authority. So that is why they say that they will not negotiate with non-state actor. It's not that the thing is the economy is going down. No, if all the whole resources, all the whole entire revenue that is being collected from the ministries, all the whole ministries, will still amount to nothing if you remove it and still the oil they get from there in our land. The thing will still sustain the country. So can you see it? You know, since 1956, they find the oil first in Oloibi, which is then Bayelsa now, and they first exported it in 1976. That first export, crude oil alone, that commodity give them 90% income of foreign earning. In 1978, that is when everybody started running that skater. Everybody are now, all the big men, including Ifan Yoba, Gupus Odima, everybody are stakeholder in the oil industry and marine sector too. So that is what I want to contribute. If you want to bring Mazikano tomorrow, Tinubu will listen to us. We will come on there, or that's all he said. Tinubu will now come to negotiate. So what they believe is that they have a strong force. So if you can come up with that, my brother, I think this thing will cut it short. That is my conclusion for now.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes.
That was a very, very spot on contribution, and we appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. Okay. With a microphone. Academic kindness is in the house. Before academic with a microphone, and when he read school, academic I like, unlike you know, you just get academic kindness. Kamamoga, now you whooping so.
Good evening, Biafrans. Good evening, Biafrans. Most especially to the mother in the house, the ministers, you know, and the crew members, deputy ministers, you know, Biafran people. Yes, I've been longing to join the program, but you know, we are in summer solstice, and you know, I've been doing all that things. I've been doing also my own program. You know, our people are being deceived via Christianity, the people of Biafra. They didn't know that up to now, people are not yet understanding that the model of Christianity that is in Africa is meant, is meant to keep our people down. Where you have a strong hold of Christianity is where you have the strongest natural resources. And these people, instead of facing their natural resources, that is facing both the human and natural resources, they use Christianity to divert their focus towards things that they cannot defend. Just like what you are seeing now today, Nnamdi Kanu has been vindicated from front and back, left and right, to the extent that the Court of Competent Jurisdiction said he should go. The United Nations said they should set him free. And not only that, compensating him with the whooping sums of dollars. But look at Christians today. They are running, going to church looking for salvation without knowing saying that who gives salvation is not the salvation, is the nation. Everything, if our people understand this particular point, it will be as easy as ABCD. They are looking for authority in the area where there is, the area where there is no authority. Where there is authority is the government. Who is in charge of government? Is it your people or others? Who can you say that is in charge of Nigerian government today? I am coming. Is it Nigerians? The answer is no. It is in the hands of foreigners. Foreigner number one is the Britain. Foreigner number two is the Fulani. But the Christian people, the Christian body, have diverted the minds of Christians. And also Christianity have divided the people of the Southeast or the Biafran people into different families. That is another spiritual strategy.
Mazi, His Highness, we have a special call.
Okay.
Let's take a call. And all ladies first. I didn't keep mother na phone. Okay, Mwada, your voice will be heard if you speak up now.
Okay, thank you. You see, we have the knife, but we have not been making use of it. That is why non-entities that are ruling Nigeria that don't even have a high school certificate are making ragara. And people the likes of Iwu Anyanwu, who told us that he's an engineer with certificate degree from the university, is going to sit down on the floor, carrying oil as kneeling down for people that don't even have high school. Is it not a shame?
Pathetic.
Is it not a shame that people like this are still moving around? At his age, he's forcing himself to decide the future of younger generation.
Sure.
And all these fools that call themselves OHANAEZE, my grandmother told me that there was nothing like OHANAEZE before. It was formed by the terrorists to use them to support the governors who are sharing the oil money with them, to subjugate all of us under them. Shut up, we are one country. What do you know? What we sit down and say, you and Iroko, do you see it? All of us will kneel down. Yes, sir, Papa. Papa, we give respect to people that don't have brains. Listen, this is the first time I am seeing that old people don't have. I don't think they think, because you told the public that you're going to plead on behalf of Mazen and the can and went behind to tell them to bring military people. If they are using military people every day to kill us and come out to say that we are the ones who kill him, I am telling you, let us shut down. The man that spoke about oil spoke my mind. Once you shut down that place, you see this, all of them, cabal, all of them will come begging you to discuss. That is when the prophecy of that man that says, the puppy will grow, that you want him to come for negotiation. He said, I don't have time again. Once you shut down the oil and gas that all of them have a stake in, they are living on the oil, sharing it with the cabal. Once you shut it down, bam, and tell oil wherever you like to flow to, all of us will reach heaven today. You see them coming to you. You don't need to. They say, you look at Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, please let us talk. We said there is no more time. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu say, I greet you, my people. I'm off. Thank you. He will go. He will be untouchable. Nobody will touch him. It's because I don't know what we are afraid of. What is it that we cannot shut down where their life is? Shut it down today. Within 2 days, I am talking of days, within a few hours a day, you will see them running helter-skelter. And all their children are here buying brand new cars and houses for their girlfriends. And the people in Southeast are dying of hunger, begging for food to eat. And you tell me we should leave these people alive. Shut down their livelihood. Let them be alive and see that we can do it, because they look down on us. I was listening to when you said earlier, see, we don't want to burn you up this time. We want to close down everything. If we should just take advantage of this time that they betrayed deceived us, deceived the world that they're going to speak on behalf of us, and came back to tell us that they went to negotiate for military men to come and slaughter us at the expense of our own oil in our own land. And the people that are living far are not even Nigerians. Men and brethren, let us stand up. Nothing will happen. Let us shut down their means of livelihood. Let everybody get to hell today. You will see them because they don't want to go. So, my dad, that's what I wanted to say. That man spoke my mind.
Wow.
The oil is their life wire. Oil and gas is the life wire of Britain, Europe, North America, everywhere. They get it free. Free of charge, and now people are dying of hunger. All of them are sharing private jets. Sorry, my people, let us wake up from slumber. And they are comfortably. Some people that don't have not even high school certificate.
Right.
Buhari, who doesn't have high school certificate, is really comfortable. Because corruption sweeps in the midst of ignorance. Let us stand up and hit them. This hit at home is just 5%, 10% action we are taking. Let us take 98% and get to it on time. Nothing will happen. Because we are fighting. But it's not what we are fighting is not, and that's why we are laughing at us. What do you think sit at home is doing? What do you think sit at home is doing? Sit at home is doing 5-7%. That man gave you 10%, but I tell you 5-7%. Once you went to 88% now, you see the job. They'll tell you, please, this is bad. Iwanya will no more tell you to go to negotiate for army. He will tell you, please, take him down the canoe. He said, Mazi, are you okay? Mazi will say, I'm okay. He said, let's go home. He said, please, I want to discuss with you guys. We said, we don't have time for you. Come on, get out of our sight. Old man that doesn't have breasts. You have degrees. You say you're an engineer. All of them. All of them failed in the school. That is why they are feeding on politics. They are failures. Ask them their former job before they join politics. Zero. They got money from the 419. All of them are kingpins in 419. So that is the people we are respecting. These people, we should no more give them a chance. Let us shut down our oil. You see that we sit at home in luxury. Thank you, my people.
Thank you so much. That was a very powerful submission from our beloved sister. Thank you so much. I appreciate that, mommy. Thank you. Wow, that's great. That's great. We seem to have another caller. The callers are coming in from the phone. Let me know. Hello, do you want to make a contribution? Hold on now. Hold on. I have to put you on speaker first. Hold on. All right, you can speak now.
Okay, my contribution there is that I want to thank you, especially Pastor Bambam. May the good Lord bless you, continue to protect you, continue to give you more wisdom, continue to give you everything that you need to move this struggle the way you are moving with our Prime Minister. May God, our Prime Minister, and all of you in the media, and all our others, may God Almighty bless you all. I pray that heaven will uplift you people and disgrace all your enemies. As many they are planning to do evil against you people, heaven will crush them. That's my stand. Heaven will crush them. They will never see the day. That is my contribution. So I don't want to talk too much. I want to talk to you privately later. May Lord bless you all. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was a good one. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Okay. Microphone is back. Please, what that there? When he tell you academic kindness, get cool later. When he tell you keep go, come and no good you on academic kindness. The mic.
Yes, because eventually you couldn't be. I will be a nation. Now say, OHANAEZE ndị Igbo na this our governor jele na nke Tinubu for negotiate ikpọdata ndị amị ka ha bịa gbagbusiwe anyị. Ịma na ọnọdụ ka ụda egbe ọ na-asọkwana ndị a nsọ and ọnụkwanụ nke ntị ndị OHANAEZE ndị Igbo adị anụ ụda egbe. And another thing m na-echekwa ọdụkwa nke OHANAEZE ndị Igbo ahụ furu n'elu efuru naanị because ọnwụ na ha furu n'elu ha furu na ọnwụ na ha furu naanị ha kwesịrị ịma na ụda egbe a nwere ike irutekwa na their family o. because unu dey because ebe mmadụ binyiri si na bie ba plane je ugwu Awụsa no je ọba ugwu Awụsa da ugwu Awụsa ka ọnụ Abuja ugwu Awụsa je ugwu Awụsa ije wee je kotela anyị ndị amị ya bịa gbagbusi anyị ndị ọha na eze ọ na enwe edu unu ọ na enwe family ọ na enwe ebe what of ewu na elu ude egbe agenda their family one by one ha nugodo ụda ya ọrụgodo na onwe onye agbawuru agbagodo ya azụ ụlọ ebe ha nugodo ahụ mana that na ọnwụ gburu onye egbe gburu n'ilo nwere ike igbukwu ya n'ụlọ nwere mana kwata na ụda egbe onwere onye ọsọrọ nsọ na ofutu ime ofutu anya because one of ndị ọha na eze ndị Igbo a na-eje Abuja na-eso ndị a na-achị anyị all these stupid governors na nwa ha jechi ije anyị ikpote ndị amị ahụ that ụda egbe ahụ ada na-abịa mbara befa adịghị nchọ ha ga-eje kpekpete ọzọ because na nke ha kpotere ekpote ha nụrụ ya ha nwa na onwe ha participate na ya ha nwa na onwe ha participate na ya so ọ bụrụ na this ọha na eze ndị Igbo a ememe ndị Igbo ife nke that na anyị na ndị Igbo kwesịrị ibili jụọ na bịa one by one chere ndụ ka njụ na ụlọ ọ na ọha na eze ndị Igbo enwere ụlọ ọ na fa nwụrọ ndị Igbo ọ na fa nwụrọ family ka ọ na fa nwụrọ obodo basi because ta na-elu one mgbe ife nyere anyị ka anyị enyeghachi ha back ife fa wishiri anyị ka anyị ewishi ha back ọ bụrụ na ha wishi anyị ndụ anyị enyefe ndụ gọlọfọfọ ndụ then ọnwụ na anyị wishi anyị ndị Igbo ọnwụ otu ha si ewishi anyị all the time adị nka ya ewishikwa ha the sentence gọkwa ọnwụ because ife a na-agọrọ ụmụfa ọfọ ọnwụ all the time because mgbe mmadụ si na bie wee binye wee jewe ugwu Awụsa ikpete ndị amị ị negotiate kwụọ ụgwọ because it's not a fee of charge ihe ahụ special request and hence not the special request how take care of everything then that is special request if our command ka ha nyere anyị and they kwesịrị inyetụkwa some part of that command because mgbe mmadụ nyere gị ndị jere ebe mmadụ ọ na-esi nri o bupụta nri ka irie ihe akụkọ ese ya bịa dị ibupụta nri gụnị ya na-abụ onye onye dị ise ngwa ya bịa na-eri gụnị ya na-abụ eke ya so anyị ọnụ onye mgbe anyị na ndị ọha na eze ndị Igbo ya ekekwana ya nri ya ha na-esi ya anyị oge ene mgbe ọ ya awa anyị na-ekuru ha na-ekuru because na python dance abụ sọsọ na ahụ otu ofutu imi ofutu anya ọnwa eziokwu na ndị gọvanọ sokwa again ọ dị sentị ka na-ekwukwa n'aka ndị gọvanọ ọ bụrụ na ndị gọvanọ niile na Abuja family ha niile anọ ha Abuja ụmụnna ha anọ ha Abuja because ọ dị si na-emenụ elu mgbe ọ ya awụ a na-eme ihe onye ọwụ na-eketa ụgwọ ọrụ ya onye ọwụ na-eketa ọwụ na ụgwọ a na-eketa ụgwọ ọrụ ha adị m sọ na ha nwere ike ịnwekwa na nwa na ji Abuja requestie special squad ịbịa gbuchasị ụmụnne ha adị m sọ ọwụ na o mee ha mbụ bifo ha na-eme ha cheta nke mefu ha eme because ọwụ na-enwe ọchị ya ndị na-anwụ na destiny ha na-eme ụmụazị enwere ọrụ ya ekwuanụ ụmụazị ama ebe ha ya agba ọsọ were jee the poor people because inu abịa na-enweta this pantan ndị amị a paje ofu onye nwabe Obikuba na nwụọ ya ọ family Obikuba na nwụọ ya ọ dịghị possible obi ọzọ ife niile ọchịrị ọha na eze ọchịrị ife niile ogburu ụmụazị ndị Igbo adịghị m sure that na anụkọta ma anụ ndat na nwa obi ọzọ ekidnapụrụ ya ọ na ndị polisi gbutiri ihe ma awụrụzie dat na ndị amị eji ekọta bịa gbuchasị ụmụ ya gburu ofu onye n'ime famili ahụ anụtụbeghị ya na ntị all these stupid people nwegasịrị ego na be anyị ma ife anyị ụba ha onwe nke ihe na-emetụ ndị onye ka ha ji kontinuo na-eme ya wee ife mana ọnwụ na o metụta ha n'ahụ o metụta ala gị ka o metụta ha n'ọgụ ije a ka onye awa oge ọzọ ha mechicha this one survive pụọ baya anwakwa anwa jee Abuja again depụtara anyị ndị amị abịa gbagbusi ụmụazị be anyị dịka my brother kwuru about ndị ụka o wee eziokwu na ya nọrọ ndị ụka mana ọnwụ na o kwuru na anyị ga-emetụ ya aka because na ndị ụka so na problem ebe a na-eme announcement na be anyị ekwe ya ọnwụ na o nwere information a chọrọ inye ndị be anyị Number one, onye ekwe town clerk, ife a na-akpa n'asụsụ Igbo. Alụkwe ekwe wee amakuche ekwe amakwa ya ọkwa n'ụlọ ụka si n'ekwe o nwere otu ndị ezi ya osi gaa n'obodo ama ndị jere ije ahụ ekwe akụọ so onye ọ na-adịkwa careful onye ọ na-abịkwa onye na-akpọ ya onye were ofu anya na-akpọ na o nwekwara ndị batara obodo ama ndetawo mgbọsị ụka ama ya na morning mass ama ya na ụfọdụ ama ya n'ọkwa n'ụlọ ụka si ma ndị onye ọ na-akwado onye ọ na-adị onye ọ na-adị careful why ndị chọọchị a especially ndị fada because ebe nwere imirikiti ndị na-abịa ụka n'ala Igbo ndị fada ndị evangelist ha mana ebe nwere corporation na ndị fada ndị siemens nwaanyị o ji agha n'olu ụlọ ụka ụdị ihe a mee otu ha nọrọ because onye ha sị na fada niile otu ha nọ ndị ọha na eze ndị Igbo na gọvanọ afa na-enye isi oche n'ụlọ ụka because ọnwụ na ebe a n'ụlọ ụka today iwu oche ndị gọvanọ nwunye ndị nwe ego nwunye ọgụgụ na ha abịaghị ụka onwe onye ya nọ n'oche ahụ ndị mmadụ akwụrụcha oche ọtọ kwa na enwere empty chairs n'ụlọ ụka nwanyị feji iji asị ndị ụka ọnwụ na ndị amị abata ha ya agbọghụ ndị na-abịa ụka ahụ mekaniti ndị na-abịa ndị ụka ka a na-agbọ maka ndị Muslim ndị ụka ka a na-agbọghụ ebe ndị fada ma ife ụkọchukwu ndị si eme nwanyị feji ijekwe ndị eje n'ụlọ ụka sị ekwe na ibe na-emenụ onye ọ na-adị njikere onye ọ na-agbara nkịtị because of na igwe a na-echizi igwe gọọmenti Reverend Father gọọmenti na-echizi ọ na gọọmenti Reverend Father ekpe ha emechi ụlọ ụka gọ bishọp zi amaghị m bishọp na gọvanọ ndị na-achịzi obodo ọ bishọp gọvanọ ka gọvanọ bishọp because ọ na-enwecha one stupid bishọp pụtara na adụkwa nsọ dị for ndị na-eji ụka ahụ m onye obeta ana m respect everybody but eziokwu dị mma ikwu I don't go church and I am proud and the way meji eje church because of ife na-eme now adịm so na onwe ikwugide mmadụ kama na eziokwu dị mma ikwu mgbe ekwu eziokwu ọnọdụ ka dị siri ka afa bishọp a ana m echeza afa bishọp a pụtara agwa ndị ụka na dragon nwe onye oshi na-atụ ya ego ọ na-eri time o kwesịrị ịdị wee gwa ndị be anyị na agwọ nọ n'akịlịka because o nwere enough money osu kịta o nwere ike ịgbanwe flight pụọ kedu afọ Obianọ ọkwa ọchịchị ana ọkpọ nonsense o mee aka ka ọzọ America aṅụrụ mmanya agbara alaba nko hapụzie ndị hapụ na iti ahụbazi ọgbasa ihe atọrọ ya na family na Abuja na America so all these big people mgbe osu kịta gbam onwe ọzọ nke ya afọ because ha nche niile nwere passport and visa na-abịa nye visa na ndị ya atọ afịa ụmụazị nwere anything ha na-eme ndị enweghị onye ya ekwuru fana ndị enweghị ụkwụ ndị enweghị aka ọdụ ya atọ afịa ife onye ka m ji ese ọmụ na this kind of thing ndị fada pasụọ ya n'ụlọ ụka gwa onye ọwụna adị njikere then this sit at home a na-ekwu onye ọwụna na-enye esi nwe 2 weeks sit at home onye ọwụna anọrọ na bie the only person ihe apụta n'ụwụ onye chọrọ ka ndị gọọmenti wee chụọ aja na ọnwụọdụ Nigerian gọọmenti onye chọrọ ka ndị ọha na eze ndị Igbo na gọvanọ anyị ha wee chụọ aja because mmemeji nje na-akpọzi Nigerian gọọmenti afọ ọnwụ na gọvanọ anyị na ọha na eze ndị Igbo eji request ndị anyị ha ekpedata ndị anyị so hence na ha nweje request enya ekpedata ọha na eze ndị Igbo na niile gọvanọ anyị niile ndị chọrọ igbuchasị anyị so ekwesị for this sit at home onye ọ na respect enya because ihe ọ na mere gụnụ nobody cares about you agwa ga-egbe ngụma ka ọ gbasara na ọhụ ndị years n'ụlọ ọgwụ they don't care ha amadị na-egbetụrụ gụ ma ha wụzie and ha nwa ndị ya agbago ya nọ unu nweọcha ife na-emenụ unu afụ ndị na-eme ya wụ ife so onye ọ na respected sit at home ihe awụ ụzọ ọpụpụ ka ọwụ site na amara Chineke ọnwụ na enwe ike iji nwe onwe anyị kụchi mma na anyị eji onwe anyị ọkadibe ife ndị ụmụ Igbo merụ ọkebe ife ndị Biafra mere mgbe e mere lockdown ha many 1 years ọ ife mere lockdown o nwere ife ndị gọọmenti na-achị nwere ife ha ize awari na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu onye mekọtara ọkarịa anya ya nwa ji go Nigeria some people all this gọọmenti and enyere fa ife ya eji wee nyere ụlọ aka o nyere ha nyere ụlọ Well, instead of 18 or the White House, or maybe see that place. Instead, we were near mgbe lockdown nye ụnụ ọkwa ndị na-egosi ụnụ na ha fụrụ ụnụ n'anya ha kea were nne ya kpochie na warehouse ndị n'ọda place da na-ejie ebe ụmụazị na-ebe akwa agụụ agadi na-ebe akwa agụụ ndị na-ebe agụụ ndị nke butere ebute akpọchie na warehouse o mebie that place ịma na ndị be anyị na-afọ ga-eche ọsịsọ amara m ụdị obi ndị Igbo nwere amara m ụdị obi ndị Igbo nwere ndị Igbo n'afọ gate nyawo ọ gafe ha na ọ gafee na nyawo ibe anyị na-ebizi nkechi fotelu every time I agree because ọnwụ na ndị Igbo na-echeta pen all this governor and ọhaneze ndị Igbo sa na-enye anyị adị m sure that enyekwa ha chance emekwa ha allow ime another one adịghị m sure so ụmụ Chineke ana m anyị unu sinu biko uru niile kwesịrị iwu dị n'obi onwe mgbe ndị a fụrụ ụnụ n'anya biko ọnwụ na ha fụrụ ụnụ n'anya kedu ibe ridele niile n'izili anya wadịda Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ife ridere ọkwa very simple thing ha fụrụ na ya wadịda Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọgwụcha anya o instead ha ile n'izie ha jekpetara ụnụ ndị amị ya bịa gbogbusi ụnụ ọ na-esi na wadịda Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọnọzikwe ndụ ọnwụ na wadịda Maazị Nnamdi Kanu anọzikwe gbagba anyị na ọnọzi ndụ when you did so difficult to release our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu for us. When you did not difficult, he said he released our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. He said he put us to ụmụ Igbo. All ajụjụ anyị kwesịrị ịjụ ọhaneze ndị Igbo na our governor. Now all this useless DOS, Chike Dozie Chinasa Nwolu, Ikenga Ulago, all this criminal. I want to defend my bond. Ha gwa anyị ọnwụ na our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu anọzighị. Ha gwa anyị na ọ nọghọzi. That means we just on down because of course it's difficult. He release our leader man. He said he release here. Come on, but then we have to say we just. It's one them. Oh, na call him no kita. Come kunjule go there ba. Kaka nejekwa. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much. Adandembo Nandegede. Hey, Chineke mere me bere ogene. Biafra nwere mmadụ. Nnamdi Kanu nwere mmadụ. Ogene. You cannot shut us down. We must be free this year. His academic highness. You can appoint okwu.
Ejiro mo tutuku. Adadi orama. Otochichago some of the points. Nchobuliku. Imana na buom. When you request, see, I saw English. Adadorama is speaking the language of heaven. And now, what you need to understand, what she said, for those of you that may have found it had a little bit of difficulty, I will just say it in 2 seconds or 10 seconds. She is simply saying that those people at the top that have refused to give us rest of mind, that when we are calling for this at home, they are going to do otherwise. They go to Abuja, they try to scoff what we are doing. That the music should be played in their own palaces. The music should be played in their own compound. The things that we are doing, we should show them the color. We should paint. Hey, allow us to talk now. We should show when I'm talking. Don't call me. We should show them the color of what we are doing, so that they will understand. They will know that, you know, the people that are suffering the consequences of their actions, that they are human beings. We know that some of them, their children are abroad, their children from places in their compound. No, in their when I say there are some things that we must not even speak in English for you to understand that when we say them in English, all these community guidelines will be against what we are doing. So that's why you should. I'm just trying to make it in a lighter language for you to understand that what she's simply saying is that we should show them our anger, show these terrorists in government, show these evil people that call themselves OHANAEZE and governors and senators. We should show them our anger so that they will know that they cannot eat their cake and have it. They cannot be in Uhuru and we will be in a dire situation. We must show them what.
Then we dance with us. This dance, they will dance this dance with us.
Yes. must dance this dance with us. That's just the simple term. And this caller, please, I don't know, you have to wait. Academic kindness will finish and then you call back. Academic kindness, please.
Oh, you can answer after all. We are here.
Yes,
We have allow him to talk because I must. When I start speaking, I wouldn't like to be stopped because I want to get the lacuna of our ignorance so that people will make U-turn before it becomes late. It's very important. Allow you to answer.
Okay, it looks like that's finished. Okay, let me put on the speaker. Let me put on the speaker so that you will say something. Okay, God is great. You are on the speaker now. Go ahead. Please go ahead. God is great. You're on the speaker now. God is great. I'll put you on the speaker now. Please, could you just go ahead, please? Yeah, your name here is God is great. That's why I'm saying you should speak up. God is great. Is it not your name here? Please go ahead. I'm giving you the speaker.
Yes, I want to refer to what our sister Daddy Olapa is saying, that you don't know what you don't want to read either. It's just that they enjoy, that is the thing. So I didn't want to go further on telling you that this is my identity. I studied at Futo. I studied maritime management technology. So I'm speaking like an expert. So I know what it takes in that field. So if all this is we said, it's just like taking back our resources. They are taking that oil there. It's just like if you want to harness something from the honey from a bee, so you have to defeat it. So defeating the bee is very difficult, and as well as harnessing the diamond too. The python to kill you there, we want to kill itself there because of that diamond. So it is, diamond is very precious, and as well as the honey too. So they would want to kill themselves there immediately. It's just that because we have not hit them on that their weak point. That is just it. So they are seeing this seed at home. It's just that it's a poor masses. We are wasting our time. If you read them there, my dear brother, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Even as I'm speaking with you now, I did my listen, IT at a Papa seaport. So I'm still seeking for either Papa or on a seaport. But I know those things are nonsense. But this freedom is our priority. So that is the thing. If those people, this drilling of oil is a sub-activity of maritime. So these people who oppose on all the rest, they don't have vessels, don't have those that is roaming around, that is going from our Gulf of Guinea, everywhere, doing all this maritime activity. If we can shut these things off, these people will release this man to tomorrow, my dear brother. But if we cannot do it, we have to reserve our security forces very well, because these people will come there and die. And they would want to deploy all the security forces they have there. That is what they would do. They would declare the war on us immediately if we will show resilience to this and restrict everything, all the maritime activity. Maritime activity, drilling of oil is a sub-activity to maritime. If we clamp on our territorial waterways, everything will go down. These people want to die there or negotiate with us immediately. So that is the emphasis should be on that our territorial waterways.
Thank you. Thank you.
So if you see a series of Kobom rolling like this in a wild animal, it's because of the oil. That is why he said it's not an evil man. It's denying its identity. It's a chocolate. So that is the thing. So the emphasis should be on that. If the whole resources we are wasting anywhere else, if we challenge it on that, this man will be free tomorrow. By that, I'm telling you as an expert.
Thank you.
Yeah, true.
Thank you.
So I cannot tell you everything, but I've just briefed you a little, and all of you know, all of you are experts. You know, it's just that we are showing our.
Thank you. It's like another my response. Thank you so much for voting in. Thank you.
So the difference should be on that. Every resource should gear towards grabbing that thing. There's no need talking another thing. So
thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate your comments, and it's very, very important. And this is like when our Prime Minister is saying that we intensify and we will take more difficult measures. More difficult measures. Let me bring the voice of our Prime Minister so that you will understand where we are at. And somebody is actually requesting for the link. I have to go take extra mile to go and post the link for you. I'll let you code. I had to go to the Facebook and post the same link that all of us are using to enter this place. You are telling me that the link is not working. Your phone is not working. It's not that the link is not working. Okay, thank you very much. If you know the stress I went through to post the link for you and you are telling me it's not working, I don't understand. Guardian of prayer, please unmute yourself. Guardian of prayer. This one. Okay, Guardian of prayer, could you please unmute yourself? Okay, could you please speak up? You are unmuted already. Guardian of prayer, could you speak up, please? No, it's not there. Christian, please, if you want to say something else, can you please unmute yourself and speak to us, please? Guardian of prayer, you're not there? Okay. How about Christian? You are muted, please. Let me unmute you.
Yes. You have now, eh?
Yeah.
So you know, my brother, sometimes I was yesterday. I was with a friend in the Netherlands. He was also on the conference on the Netherlands. So till this day, it still baffles me how people in Nigeria, and they call themselves Nigeria. Today, Rufai Oseni from Arise TV, yeah? I believe you know him, right? Hello?
Yeah, we know him. You know the that behave as
exactly.
He behave as if he is wise. He's intelligent. God will be praising. A very buffoon.
Bro, today I finished him with a write-up I sent to him, and to my surprise, this was this morning, I have received on my email about 6 to 7 replies from people just stating the obvious, the things because Rufai came on air talking about this and that, and I'm like, you think you know better than it, but you don't know nothing. You call yourself, how do you, a country, you say one Nigeria. What does that mean, one Nigeria? A country that has 2 constitutions. How does that work? A secular system country, suddenly a certain region, they created their own Sharia constitution that supersedes the secular constitution of the country. How then do you call this a country and you expect peace and progress? How do you build a progressive and peaceful country under that circumstance? How do you do? And I'd like to add insult to injury. They are trying to impose this same Sharia constitution upon everybody, and they know it. So how then? And first of all, what do you mean by Nigeria? They carefully in 1999, they took out the chance, opportunity for referendum, meaning that as me and you speak today, they are gun on our head and they keep us in Nigeria. And you turn around and expect peace and progress. You force people. It's like you force people into a country under the barrel of a gun. You keep them in the country and say you cannot leave, you cannot have your independence, whether you like it or not, you must stay in Nigeria. Under the barrel of a gun on our head. And you think you're entitled to have peace and progress. It baffles me that black people in this day and age can reason, and they think I don't get it. I simply cannot understand how black people can reason below animal capacity. It's just crazy. So I told Rufai, I wrote to him, I said, Rufai Oseni, if there's anything in your head at all, you know the formation, how Nigeria came about. Some European guy forcefully combined different countries, different people into an entity, and from there until this day, anybody talk about referendum, you lock him up or you kill him. If somebody goes out to protest, you order the military to shoot them down. Who does? What kind of country? It baffles me. So obviously, as for this whole thing, I thank God. I thank God very much because we're on the right track. Since they say they will not let us be, they will not be too. Because if you hold somebody down, you are refusing him to go, well, that person is not going. But you who is holding him, you are not going anywhere too. So if that is what they want in the zoo, that is what they are confronting now, that for over a century, the zoo has not moved forward and it will never move forward until it disintegrates. Because it's not supposed to exist in the first place. It's an aberration. It's a taboo that it existed in the first place because it's incredible. How do people that have absolutely nothing in common? And everything has shown that there is absolutely no commonality. So why do you want it to continue to exist in a chaos, in a darkness and retrogression? It is incredible. I wish to get a reply from him, if at all, but some of them are blindfolded already by evil and whatever it is. So, yeah. But like I said,
one thing you must understand, that is why, some Christians happen to be, that's even Christ in their Bible told them that the children of this world are wiser than the children of the kingdom. They claim. Now you see him, the way he's trying to defend Nigeria that is killing Christians. Crucifying and destroying Christians. Nigeria that have become a jihadi state. Now, Obadiah Lafia, under their nose, that guy you see there, that profile, is an idiot. He claimed to be a Christian, born again Christian. In his radio station, condemning this fornication. When you are married, you are not married, you are sleeping with a married, you are committing fornication, you are committing adultery. Rubbish. And when they talk like that, you will not see them protest against Obadiah Lafia, a Christian who called all of them to come out and protest and boycott anything Fulani. And Obadiah Lafia was assassinated. Did Rufai make any online protest about Obadiah death or any of their pastors in that country? That's how foolish they are. Fulani is just doing everything, molesting people, raping their wives and raping their mothers. You won't say anything. But when it comes to Biafrans who are ready to confront them headlong, you see him saying that Ekpa should be very careful. Simon Ekpa should warn. Cannot be
So I wonder, that Rufai Oseni, I don't even want to talk about it. These are pure evil. When you see him, you see evil manifesting. It's written all over him. So the Rufai claiming to have studied here, studied there, blah, 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 and I'm like, wait a minute. So what do you, how can a country function under this condition? How does that happen? Okay, if you want to, like UK, or America, if you want to say they have Christian, they have Muslim, they have black, they have blah, 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 but at least they have one constitution that everybody must abide by. You cannot go to any state in America or Britain and they will make you to face Sharia, whatever. No, because there's a constitution that supersedes everybody must come under. But that's not what you have in Nigeria. And the likes of Rufai, they know it. And they're pretending as if it's okay. That simply means that they've all given in for the Fulanis to Islamize and to Fulanize everybody. Maybe they are working in tandem with them or whatever it is. I don't know. Something has to be something. Because how does that happen that you think we will just fold our hand and allow them to come and impose Sharia on us and take our land? No way. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen.
Thank you so much, Christian. Enough elaboration on that, and I really appreciate you. That was a very good one. And this comment on the post, I just left it there so that our brother said, please, Pastor Vam, let's do a little survey. Let's ask any Biafra here who don't understand Igbo language, not speaking, but understanding. Yeah, I will want to. It's going to be a good survey, but the truth is that there are so many Biafrans that do not understand. There are so many, but those that understand are more than those that don't understand. So for the benefit of doubt, allow them, get a little bit of explanation, because I have my sister Helen. My sister Helen here, she doesn't, but she's very patient. Please mute yourselves, please. Please mute yourselves, please. He's not muted. Where is he? Okay, let me remove this comment. Okay, so it's Christian that needs to mute himself. So that's just the issue here. So many of them that, like from Edo State, so many of them don't understand Igbo. They may just hear some of the very common Igbos, but they don't. But for the benefit of doubt, our brother said we should do a survey. Please, some of you, if you know you do not understand Igbo and you are Biafran, please just indicate in the comment section. Let me display it on the open. You are a Biafran. You know you are a Biafran and you do not understand Igbo. Please just let's have your voice. Thank you very much. And I put up this particular video for the reason of the last comment, so that are saying release Mazinam come to shut up Simon Ekpa. This was a brief. And again, Ali Chukudi, to see that you are in the studio. I put your comment up. Thank you very much. Let's see. Listen to this from our Prime Minister. This was the State of the Nation emergency meeting yesterday.
We made this particular declaration. If you release Mazinam between now and 30th of this month, we will cancel the 2 weeks. Failing to release it, you are going to see how this is going to break Nigeria up. I am telling you the fact. You see this at home, these 2 weeks at home. We will come with another tough measures. If after the 2 weeks at home, they did not release Mazinam, we will put another tough. We made this. If you release Mazinam between now and 30th of this month, we will cancel.
Did you hear that? That is from our Prime Minister. Of all TK, listen to him again.
We made this particular declaration. If you release Mazinam between now and 30th of this month, we will cancel. This particular declaration. If you release Mazinam between now and 30th of this month, we will cancel. We made a declaration. If you release Mazinam between now and 30th of this month, we will cancel 2 weeks. We made this particular declaration. If you release Mazinam between now and 30th of this month, we will cancel 2 weeks. We made this particular declaration. If you release Mazinam between now and 30th of this month, we will cancel 2 weeks. Failing to release it, you are going to see how this is going to break Nigeria up. I am telling you, you see this is at home, this is at home. We will come another tough measures. If after the 2 weeks at home, they did not release Mazinam, we will come with another tough measures.
Do you see that? If after these 2 weeks at home, you don't release him, all those of you that you will shut him off, you are all buffoons. He has told you, and that is the condition he has given to you to stop the sit at home. So stop fooling yourself up and down and making it look like you were deaf and dumb when he was saying it. Dara, mad people.
Maybe they don't understand the English.
Mad people. Ali Tukudi, please, can you please speak up? I am putting you on the spotlight, please.
Good evening.
Good evening. Brother. No.
I think Biafran land in Apple.
Wow.
And they happen in here na onye no na n'olulu oma aja gekpe n'isi until onwere Sit at home okuya. Obuna as no na-emebi economy. Ke ihe benefit economy anyị goro anyị since ebidoro ya tamụrụ m onwebe any benefit ngasị na nweta na Nigeria economy or any state economy. Mụnwa na alụ ọlụ onweghị enweta m ọlụ I'm hustling on my own. Anything benefit in Nigeria ngasị na as a citizen. Ha na-ebukwa economy ahụ ka ezi ndị nwere economy.
Ezigbote economy. Because tell them from the economy.
Economy. Onwego ndị benefit as more na otu anọ anything on gas na no ya can benefit from government. Government and good road. Even be now na e makana na Onitsha. No one have ụzọ dị na mkpọ ma ofebe. Now na Onitsha na generate that money ha na announce I lose 12 billion. On a 12 billion now we decide sanga no. Ina force mu ka mbia. Ụzọ ebe m bi ụzọ adịghị ya mmiri anaghị agba ọkụ ihe ọkụ na-abịa bụ 1 week anaghị nkwọ 4,000 1 week ana m ọkụ mana enwe chọrọ ikwukwe o biko a sị na onye ndị iro na nso na-eche ndị ya nche mgbe niile onye isi anyị bụ Simon Ekpa ayo ka nna ayo biko oto bụ na ga-esikwa mee security ka ọ na guide ya si guide ya maka na okano kwa eri onye mụ anya kokeri yokwa na nka ya ndị Chikedozie ha mere na mdị kan ya emekwana ya na nwa na ebe a na obi sikwa anyị kere ebe ọ nọ anya ngaba ayo na anyị na ayo ndị ọbụla ndị nọ na security biko una guide ya ịmana ofu ya na amacha ya bịa ngwana nwa cross to African nation anything about Africa ya cancel ya even of the family of everybody ka ya na ga-enwe nkata maka na enwe ndị bụ ajụ na n'etiti ha ọbịa ka ya maka ihe mụ na ayọ ana m asị na Chukwu kabịa ma ga nọnyere unu ncha niile Biafra ga-enwe isi ma chọrọ ya ma achọghị ya ọ chọrọ Nigeria gọọmenti achọrọ gọvanọs iwu bụ na Biafra ga-abịarị n'oge nke anyị na aha Chukwu kabịa ma ngwa nwanne m nwoke tụkwa ịgwakwu na okwu o
anya nye microphone ka okwu okwu
IPOB
one family
IPOB
one family
Demenu dalụnụ ihe a nwanne m nwoke kwuru kịta bụ ihe na-echu m ụla echu anyị ụla maka ihe mere onye ndu mgbe ọbụla anyị chetere ya obi adị anyị mma so anyị wa na-ekwu etu a ndị zuu na-agba girigiri agbakeri ana ma fanye ụba ha onye ọbụla a na-apụta na-agba girigiri ka a mara ihe a ga-eme ka kwụsị Simon ka ọ ghara ine Biafra nwa ihe a na-achọ ka ọ ghara inwe isi so ọ na-echu m ụla ọ na-echu anyị ụla nnukwu biko ofu ahịhịa ahụ ihe ọbụla a ga-eme ka ụdị ihe a melụ onye ndu hafụ ime ya anyị gbaa
nwanne ka anyị gwa gị o ihe ejuzi n'ụlọ ụra biko ejuzi n'ụlọ ụra maka na anyị erugo na our last bus stop
nsogbu adịghị
our last bus stop adịghị ihe nwanne gị kwuru kịta o kwuru wee tinye egwu a because when they make somebody quote something trigger something in me and make sure that wait here go I go ha ma ha chọrọ ama ha chọrọ ya aga n'aka anyị ihe abụọ ga anyị ga-enwere onwe anyị. That is anyị anọzi n'oge ozizo nzogharị ka m tinyere gị dis track ka obi sie gị ike ị ka ya ekwu ihe na-ekwu gee ntị.
Oh, yeah, one.
Data ha.
No problem. Data ha. How no say you can't on the phone. Look, so can end there because all can go again. Ulu na agwa ha na obere oge na ha ga anọ. So ulu ye choose no ora maka na Ekpa kwadoro akwado. Someone that is
one asa na egwu atụ n'afa na ndị no awolo US.
Yeah.
N'aka ji aka ya na dragon ndị a na dragon na alụkọ awụlọ ndị DOS awa fondo sabot na awere na ebe ọnọdụ mma and ndị a na ya nọ ndị nwere ike trust.
Exactly.
Ya adịghị akpịrị ego.
Thank you so much.
Okay. You can go ahead and lobby.
I have to be here.
Okay. No problem. Thank you. Lot of one day, I take your microphone. Go ahead. You have the microphone.
IPOB.
One family.
Very good. I'm very happy with the online today. Like Ekpa since this struggle began. And I made bitcoins and I made many things. Mano can marry her name. I can't believe in so much.
Go ahead. Rabbi Jews no.
I believe in so much. Now this struggle. I got free this year. And they believe no you made the right thing and get so. No made the right thing. Mama swear. Me Simon Ekpa bidoro. Na gwa our team ebe anyị na-eme discussion. Na onye aka mwa ga-eso. Mama ihe a na-akpọ US na mama ihe a na-eme. Na onye mara ihe ọ na-eme ka m ga-eso. Mwe sochie ihe. Na-esokwana ya mwe na afọ result. Ha ma weta ọnụzie na asị m na n'ọkwa mwa bụrụ ebe a nọ. Na ọmụma mara ihe a na-eme na true n'ihe na-ekwu n'eziokwu. So ihe na-aga now. Bụzikwa na anyị nwere hope. Beyond hope na Biafra go. I have a very powerful hope. And I want to go on a Biafra land. I am ready. You know about us for no game. I am here. As I buy Gaba. As I hold, I get hold. And here now, Uno try a man. Our men is willing, ever willing. Can try to join a man on a field. I am about to send them out of this place. I am happy. If it is high institution for years. They will not give me job. Madam and Biafra to them tomorrow. So mne kenegi keresi kwa mazi Simon Ekpa. Na ekekwe oga vam. Atokwasara unu n'obi. Unu efe alụkwala anyị. Anyị na-echekwa unu. Unu batawakwa anyị na-echu unu. Akọ ha n'olu. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Chukwu gozie gị. Anyị efe unu. Never. I ebinyigo and I aposata and the mama hope dragon Colombo fan. Also I so and I took and then I believe that no one on boy happy. Diko kwa leader was in the can go say near disappoint here and I'm only disappoint him. And the same Okwa dragon I know where when I want to say ahụ mgbe awali na maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwụsị na oge erugo mgbe ya hochapụ chaff that this thing. And then how to another staff have to go. You know, the men. So important that now we can never.
I know this this strategy everybody there. The whole because Biafra is well blessed, and they were blessed from our upstairs. In high na post in a brain, all the SS. And I'm not support the suggestion. Open at that oil facility in Hagia ammunition. Open Agabadi see that place. Instead, Abadi see Chai at the end of the day to say Abadi share those things. Yeah, had that thing. But I love what our able Prime Minister Ihokuru said that another strategy is higher, but now Nahama Maya, and that is itching them seriously. Which way out of which their way out, hammer of the self. So I had them in support, in full support. Yabrona Biafra there. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Thank you. Wow, guess who we have in the house? We have the lion in the house. We have the spirit man in the house himself, Remy Juice. Remy, you take the microphone, please.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome.
Good evening from here. I greet all of you people, most especially Pastor Van Adadi Orama, our able minister, Akbarawa Sonny, His Academic Highness, Mazi, and other people in the house. The only thing that made me come in this studio, when listening, I had IPOB one family. I said the family is coming back.
Wow.
You know, after the kidnap of Mazen Namdekanu, these people met IPOB. IPOB, nobody is responding. IPOB only but I had IPOB, everybody echoed one family. That means we are now getting momentum. Back. That means the thing that the enemies. I'm not hearing.
Somebody look at the comment on the screen. Look at the comment on the screen.
Okay.
So,
after the kidnap of man, know her, meeting her also. After the kidnap of Mazen Namdekanu, everybody everybody starts suspecting his or her brother. They brewed division. They wanted to make sure that IPO dies in other death. They started telling you people how good it is for you people to calm down. Do you know what they try to achieve? They want to stop the guerrilla warfare. At the launch of the security network, guerrilla warfare was launched. This thing that is happening now is not new. But it was because of what is happening now that they have to say Onyendu. Now, if you watch the body languages of all these criminals that you call OHANAEZE and these Igbo governors, their body languages are the same. Bring Simon. What is Simon Kebuo? What was their body language when Onyendu was around? And now after the kidnap of Mazen Namdekanu, we stayed how many years? And I tell her the Biafra. All of them bought ime. Simon started and I what was Ometehe for? They want IPOB to die a natural death. They want to subjugate us. They want us to start afresh, Kaisavazian slave in our own land.
God forbid.
Aboki Nachiehi. You tell us to calm down. Freedom. Madness. You cannot pursue freedom. You must be strictly mad before you chase freedom. You must have mental illness. That means we are now going direct to action. That was what Onyendu said, that they must know that we are mad. If you don't show that your madness, it has not started. And that madness now is beginning. To everyone listening to my voice, don't be discouraged. When they are shouting, it is because simply here. That is what is bringing their shout. After the kidnapping of Onyendu, all of them went inside. All of them started smiling. Nobody was shouting. Nobody was being afraid. Afraid of who? Afraid of Ndire Onyendu. Ndina got to the governor Narego. Like Nkena Popunti. Opunti. Yeah, Chief can go. Now I'm my leader. Did you in South Africa? When Mazin Namdekano was around, he abused the Mazi. At the back of Mazin Namdekano, he's now my senator. Referring to Ifanyuba, the same Ifanyuba, Mazin Namdekano said that Ifanyuba went and be telling everybody, give me money. I speak to Mazin Namdekano always. And the DOS, guess what? They are not suspending him. Why must they suspend him? Because he is part and parcel of the stockbrokers between them and the Nigerian government. That is the reason why you must pay attention to whatever Simon says. It goes. For now, whatever Simon says goes. If you don't like it, back out of the southeast.
Yes.
It doesn't stop from monitoring, taking those that you can kill. You cannot kill anyone. I will stop here for others to say. Thank you.
Wow. Wow. That is the seer himself. Marry Jews. Academic
Yeah. All what our brothers and sisters have said, most especially, they are all important. What he's saying is very, very correct. But not everything is said on public. Concerning that economic mention, already the PM already given us a hint concerning it. So those who are in the field will take care of that. So, but there is something I wanted, the question I wanted to ask us. The question is very simple. What are pastors and reverend fathers telling the congregations, our brothers that we're fighting for? What do they tell them every Sunday, or each time they have adoration, or each time they are in the mountain? What do you people have any idea of what they tell the congregation? These people control, the people from grassroots. They control lots of people. Is there anybody that has an idea of what these people tell our brothers concerning this freedom fight? It's a question I'm asking.
Yeah, anybody that has the answer can write in the comment section or call in. Thank you very much, Academic Kindness. Let's see, somebody will answer you. I know you have a special attention. You want to really give all these reverend fathers, and you are really focusing on them. And I want to take full advantage of Marabu Jews being in the house right now. Marabu Jews, you can see what these idiots are saying. These are the same bastards, see, Mekiri, this post. Let me put it up. The same bastards that make this post on a tribune that, Simon Ekpa, that soldiers should be deployed to the southeast. No, that soldiers should be deployed to the southeast because Second World War is coming. We want you to talk, in respect to this OHANAEZE in Dara, you are there in the home front, you know what's happening. So please address these idiots that are saying release Nnamdi Kanu to shut up Simon Ekpa. As if they don't know the request of Simon Ekpa that when you release Nnamdi Kanu, that is the only thing that will end the sit at home. Please address the idiots in case they don't understand our own language. Maybe your language, they will understand it.
Thank you, Pastor Van Van Van. they are saying that second Biafra war is coming. What is the war? That is when you understand that these people are passing seas without passing brain. A simple plea to release Mazen Namdekano, have that become war? The Mazen Simon Ekpa said, if you release Onyendu, this at home will stop. It will die a natural death. What is the reason for the sit at home? Have this at home sit at home? Have it been going on? The answer is no. It doesn't go on like this. The reason for this consistent sit at home is because you are holding Onyendu and you have refused to release him, and you are saying second Biafra war. Anyway, let me tell everyone who are afraid that these people might bring military or not. They don't have the number. You know, during the time of Mazen Namdekano, these people, these criminals, said that they are bringing 3,000 men. Do you know how many people that they brought? 200. It is propaganda. Where do you think? Where do you think? How many people can I join the army? So where are they bringing the army from? Are they going to bring the army from Niger or from Mali or go to other countries to borrow military? The sit at home must continue. That is to show how mental toughness that you are. If you chicken out because of threats, you are going to lose. Consistency personifies everything. You must be consistent in whatever you do in life. It doesn't matter if you are facing death. Have I not been threatened? And guess what? The people that are threatening me, most of the times, when they see me, they don't even recognize the person that they are threatening. But I, myself, I'm taking precaution because of be careful. They don't have the men. Nobody should be afraid. Nigeria don't have the number. The threat that they are bringing people, let them bring it inside this Biafra land. We will die here. Hi. That's as simple as ABCD. Thank you.
Wow, thank you very much. You are a brave soldier. Wonderful. Uchenna, please, please, anybody that wants to ask Remigio's question, please put it on the comment section, or you want to, want him to respond to something, put on the comment section. I'll bring it up and he will answer. Uchenna Enegido, please take the microphone for 3 minutes.
Yeah. Goodbye, darling. IPOB one family.
One family.
IPOB one big family.
One family.
Because darling, happy Sunday. Oremigus, Emmanuel Oremigus, and let's stay in our program. You see, Adade Arama Ekenenge, his high academic Ekenenge. Na esokwe na Twitter space. Adade Arama kita ka tinjures maka oluba na-enye ndebe anyị. Omaka.
Thank you.
Ihe kansa onye mbụ his high academic kansa ihe ọjọọ. Onye ka nji bata na studio.
Oh wow.
So ihe na-ajụ ka nza gị ya ka m gwa gị eziokwu ime ndị nsogbu anyị nwere ndị isi ụka ọha bụ nsogbu anyị nwere ọ bụrụ ndị polisi kwa sama polisi ọbụminas ka demons ma ndị isi ụka yi akwa ụka iche na gị na ha so mana ha na polisi ọbụ fafas di na nwunye ka bụ ịhụ na ya so ị ga-eji ihe cardinal or bishop of Ekwulọbịa kwuru gbasara ma ọ na-ekpa were mara ebe a nọ na ihe a na-ekwu that one zara gị ajụ their position. Ị ga-eji bishop Amatu nke o kwuru disapụ hopeless ụzọ dị mgba ka ọrụ na Imo steeti achabụ ndị ga-okwu ahụ ajụ ahụ jụrụ na ịhụ na ya so this Bishop Amatu, this number 4 to number 1 in Imo State. Get demonstration no camera basara. This over may last year when the Christians in Nigeria see that so we found the funny boy and the funny boy in Nigeria there. And when action had it, oh, when the bishop or not, Ogunzuka and OHANAEZE and those and Robosia before had job. What has Bishop never? Okwan Bishop Nana Win and means going hand and I leave. Hana not here. We were okay, Kame had to leave me. Makaku had to leave. Hana chair. So Dagin a Heso. After Monica, again and Heso. So again and Nano standing one day, one day ago. So I have the main problem. Niku Faka couldn't get Hana and agency here. Enwere ha na brother Ebuka na Lagos. Ọkwa na-eme attack. April ọ bụ ebube mmụọ nsọ onye bụ onye stand out na-ekwuriri. So ndị isi ụka bụ ndị nsogbu anyị nwere na Nigeria, ndị isi ụka ha the main problem. Mana the first bụ nche ha dị mana ha the problem. Mana ọchị na-ekwu a na-ahụ ya nwayọọ nwayọọ. Yotago. So ebe nji bata esi ka ha zagị na ndị isi ụka the main problem. I'm a police criminals. Thank
you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah,
yes. For asking such questions, because at times it's good for us to speak in general language, is to help our people to understand the mistake we are continuously making. By the time we understand it, we have to do U-turn and embrace the light. The colonial masters who brought Christianity, this is the enigma in Africa. Anywhere you see Christianity flourishing, I'm not against Christianity, but the colonial master ideological Christianity for Africa. I call it Christianity model for Africa and Christianity model for Europe. Anywhere you see Christianity, Reverend, know you that those people have natural resources, too much human and natural resources, but they use that Christianity to keep them down. Look at the kind of voice that you have today that call themselves bishops, reverend fathers, and when it comes for political quest that I'm talking about is like this agitation. It's like this quest for the liberation of the indigenous people. You see, Reverend Father, we know where to found. The next against it. Pastors, some pastors are better than them.
Yeah, thank you. Academic kindness. We have sometimes we give priority to our people from home. There's a caller from Biafran land. Let's hear what he has to say. Please, caller, get taken as speaker now, okay?
On the floor.
Okay. Yeah, let's see what our people from that. Please go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead now. I'm putting your speaker. Go ahead.
Okay. I can see my brother. God bless you very much. God bless you and your team. And in the way. Are you hearing me, sir?
Yes, we can hear you. Just go ahead. I don't wait for my response. We can hear you. When you finish, I will put off the phone. Go ahead, please. Oh my God.
Tell Adadi Arama to continue and increase the advice that our people is getting it very clear and rough from her. And may God strengthen all of you. May the Lord continue to be your strength. More power to your elbow. Gaddafi himself, I think I've sent this to Gaddafi before. I've sent this on because of what is happening now. I am so happy that I see everybody there. So may God bless all of you. I want to do that, render that this song, no matter when it comes. It's with Gaddafi, but I render it here now. May God of heaven and earth continue to give all of you the grace and the strength to carry on this fight in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
Go this way. Solidarity for Biafra. Solidarity for Biafra, Mama. Solidarity for Biafra. We shall always fight for Biafra victory. There is victory for us. Victory. There is victory for us in the struggle. In the struggle for Biafra. There is victory for us. Forward, backward, never in the struggle for Biafra. There is victory. Solidarity for Namdekano. Solidarity for Namdekano, Mama. Solidarity for Namdekano. We shall always stand by him. Victory, there is victory for us. Victory, there is victory for us in the struggle for Biafra. There is victory for us. Forward, backward, never in the struggle for Biafra. There is victory. Solidarity for Simon Neba. Solidarity for Simon Neba, Mama. Solidarity for Simon Neba. We shall always stand by him. Victory. There is victory for us. Victory. There is victory for us. For Biafra. There is victory for us. Forward, backward, never in the struggle. Is victory.
Wow! Bravo!
Here in the Biafran land, we are all standing by you. Those of us that felt there's nothing we can contribute. That if they have nothing to contribute, I want to advise you this evening. There is a lot you can contribute. By talking to somebody by your side, convincing them that there are a lot of arguments by the marketplace. Where we are telling most of these videos. Most of them, I was trying to tell them like UTH would always say that their frontal lobe is damaged. They can't process information. So I just use that position to tell them that most of the problem, like academic kindness himself said, that with the teachings and every thing that goes on in the church, most of us can't reason anymore. Honestly, I was like that for many years until now. I was like that until now. So we can't reason beyond when they say it. You ask yourself a question. If this is not A, what about B? What other thing? So most of us are like that. So I thank God for you people. If not for anything, my eyes is 100% open to the reality and truth that is all over me and all over Nigeria. May God bless you all. That is my little contribution. May God bless you. And that's going to continue to fire on. I wish I am family that will always do you on so that they listen to you with that language you are blowing. God bless you, my sister, my people. And good night.
Thank you very much. Fantastic. Wow. Yeah, Gaddafi has to listen to the song and it will watch in the media team. This kind of song, give away a chair. You know how you that guy play on media.
Yeah, listen.
Can you expose yourself now?
I wanted to say it. I wanted to say it. You're not
Academic hypothesis. I mean, academic highestness.
And there, you should arrest Lagbaja, whatever. Police will arrest army.
I've issued my own warning. I say you should lead and come because we are on ground. Let them come. We are waiting. Lagbaja should come. Because he will cry. He will cry the way they used to cry.
Exactly.
Yes, I am so excited that we have a full house today, and Emmanuel O. Remigius, the CR, came to give the occasion. Remigius, please, your microphone is always free. Please, if there's any addendum, we'll call it addendum in the movie industry. If there's any addendum you want to add to this powerful broadcast, you can go ahead, please. Take the microphone at any
time. General Van from the Vatican City. Umada Biafra, Umada Jagamba, Umada God created people. And God created everything that God created. He did not create Umada. God said, no, I never complete. God make man to sleep as we are about to sleep so that Umada will come out. You know now. Thank you. Fire on. Let me use the Ben Johnson one of Biafra.
Good evening. I'm in Sambisa.
The man they could not catch. Wait, let me put very soon. They are going to release your own like this. Let me get, let's see they did for our prime minister. They will do your own very soon. Wait, let us bring it. Let us bring our prime minister own. Let us bring our prime minister own. Wait. Because at times on board for it guy deals people. So the guy deals or meters deals people. So the guy deals or meters deals people. So let me use. I'm asking about someone now, Miami. Can you hang up? Okay, you are Mimi. You are Mimi. Can was it? Anna, asking you to say about me. Oh, you can't get back up on social media. Say, let me use any day about people side, any day about people. Can you get it? Mad people everywhere.
My brother.
I want to Ima, he's facing out of social media. He's not learning comedy.
Okay.
Yes, he's not learning comedy. Yes, our news.
Yes, we don't sack them from agitation. So that man is not learning comedy. Comedy don't play now. Yes. So where they face, they go face. Anywhere they face. Yeah. But we want to tell them, say, no be today, not today for back. We don't pay. Investment for Biafran people, for all those people that are coming, we need more money to buy more arms to defend our land. We need to buy more arms, more weapons. Even bomber jet, even anti-air, anti-tank, we need them more to add to our armories. We need more. Biafran people, please go to our website, donate. We need this money in Biafra land. Bring this your money. We need it. We take go. I was begging. I was begging. I was able to speak Igbo so that I will get more money. You know what he thought? Say Chineke with them, go Chineke with them, go. So what I want to say to we need more money for more arms. You know, we are not hiding it for the people that want to do exposition. We don't run out of content. Not hiding it. We are into arms struggle. Release mass in the Canada, then you pay your. Yeah, not even begin to cry. By the time we unleash what we have in stock, smoke. You know, the smoke that come out of Sodom and Gomorrah will be small from what will come out from Nigeria.
Minister Gaddafi, let me just interject. Ask the audience, have they ever seen any country or nation without military, well-equipped military and police, or what you call security apparatus? Have you ever seen any country, serious country, that doesn't have well-equipped military? It's a question I'm asking.
Nigeria doesn't have.
Nigeria.
Okay. Yeah, good. But Biafra, the thing that shows you that we are mean in what we're doing is the level of armament. It is your constitution right. Academic, a man G 5 degrees na Italy. Italy that's Suprana Suebable Latin, quod plaquit regem lex avet vigorem. But the reason and why I feel so pain on our people is the level of ignorance that foreign religion has kept us. To the extent that there is very important for people to separate the spirituality and physicality. Anything concerning government has nothing to do with religion. Religion is under government. It has to do with written principle and the decision of the people, and the people working in unison. Now, after we convincing our people on what we're going to do to make sure that we liberate our people through the traditional means. What I mean by traditional means is the conventional way of fighting as men, just as our forefathers used to fight our elders with obejiri, with any conventional weapon they have. They chase enemies away. It is also still on board. Then they will go to church. Reverend Father will turn it upside down and tell them, no, it is the will of God, divine providence, this and that. These people will go and believe in it. At the end of everything, they regret it. Go on.
Academic kindness, sorry. You know, there's something that these people, you are in a Biafran military, you are in the defense, and when we talk about your qualification, maybe we'll begin to read the profiles of the people who is fighting for Biafra now. You know, in the European Union, you are teaching the European Union military. You are the one teaching them. You are the one, you know, doing research to tell them what to do. It's you, is a Biafran, and is inside this government we are inside. Now, if you go, when we talk about the profile, go to Nigerian military, even the chief of army staff, it doesn't have the kind of qualification you have. They don't have it. And
I know.
Yeah, that is said. And let me tell you, in the history of Biafra, they had never been conquered in any battle. From the time of Ekumeku warfare till this our time, they never conquered us. And let me tell you again, the Bible said, "O woman, la obe la." So if you put a baby na Biafra land, you get sinebe la.
Abajaja now. I go see how.
Burma bia na Biafra land. I get you ma bola ge. Iburo nyami.
Is blacks on the beat.